Left that on. Oops. Hello. Wait. Wait. You see? There was a little purple thing at the bottom of the screen. Hi, everybody. Hey, Lumi. Hey, Toast. Hey, Wall of Time. Hey, Leviathan. Happy going back to work on a Monday day. And hello, TX Pang. I was saving something. Do you guys want to see? Do you want to see the new art that was created. Also, hey Starshot, hey AGI, hey Chaz. Welcome, welcome. It makes 70 active accounts for a meme, if I damn please. Yeah, that's fair. Do it. You ready for this? Hang on. Music's a little loud. You ready? I don't know if you're ready. My music's actually like a little bit too loud, like as in general it seems. Okay, there we go. All right. Look at them. Look at them. They're so goddamn beautiful. Look at the artistic liberty that was taken here. Look at this. This little platinum guy. It's a little disc. It's like a little wafer. I love that. It's so nice. It's so nice. Look at him, dude. Oh my god. Beautiful. I need to say two things about this. One, this is my favorite one. I think this one is absolutely gorgeous. And two, kind of want to eat it. But I don't think I should. But I kind of, like a little bit I want to. Anyone else in the snack category? It's just like, it's just a little bit. Not like a lot. Just a little bit. Sorry, an Agi said they've jumped to, what? Oh, all right, yeah. Matcha cake? I want to eat it even. I was on the... Is it cake? I definitely want to eat it. I'm in the snack category? Holy shit, that was smooth. God damn. That was buttery. Yeesh. Guys, Shooting had a long night doing business licensing paperwork. Oh dear God. Well, hey, you're here now. Take it easy. Relax. Get some water. Get something to eat. Maybe have a quick nap or something. Take it easy, man. It's gonna be okay. Yeah. Look at. Oh god, they're so pretty. Look at the galley. It's even melted a little bit. Oh, it's so good. Xpeng, now that I have a broadcasting position, and it's a one-way conversation, what do you need me to code? I looked over your stuff. I'll code whatever you need, man. Let's make this art for code thing. I'm totally down. You just tell me what you need. I'll create it. You know? I should have some time tomorrow because I'm not streaming tomorrow. Sad. But I can take a look tomorrow and start coding some stuff up for you. What is like the most important thing that you would want from me? When you add uranium, it looks like a normal metal, but has a faint blue glow in water. Really? Know that. They're just so good, dude. They're so good. Look at the silver, man. Silver looks like it shouldn't exist, not gonna lie. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful. It's so nice. I love the netherite. This is just perfect. Excellent. 10 out of 10. No notes. The tin disc. Jax was saying that, like, since a lot of metals just kind of look like silver thing, they took some liberty in like making a little bit of a difference. Like the nickel is a lot smaller. The tungsten is very, very colorful. It's all so good, dude. I cannot wait to put them all in the game. In standard fashion of working with TXPeng, he works so much faster than me, so I have to now catch up to where the art direction is in our game. But I'm very excited to do so. It's so good. So good. So beautiful. Yeah, we'll be doing that today. How's everybody doing? How's everyone chilling? It's so silver in the best way possible. I know, right? It's like popping out of the page at you. And the iron has like the outline, but the silver doesn't. It's so sick, dude. It's so sick. You'll DM me? Perfect. I will code some stuff up for you hopefully tomorrow if I got some time. If not, if you don't mind, I can do it on stream too at some point. So much attention to detail. I know. It's so good. It's so good. Or TXPeng when you're famous. TXPeng, remember me when you're famous. You know what I'm saying? I think you got your subject and predicate flipped there a little bit, guy. It's so good. So I want to start putting bars in today because we have these just absolutely gorgeous bars. And it has a new addition to the company. I would hire TXPeng. Are you kidding me? I'd hire them in a heartbeat. I wouldn't even consider. No interview, no nothing. Don't even send me the like tax forms. I'll just pay you under the table. Just send me a PayPal link and we don't have to involve anyone else, you know? The next feature is world generation. I want to make a world with conveyors in, and also procedural generation is satisfying. Isn't it just? I saw on Twitter the other day, people are doing procedural animation now. I think I can find it. Procedural animation, Twitter. Hopefully this comes up. Let's see. One time. This is not the thing. This is not it. Hang on, I'll find this. Hang on. I'm cooking. Man on the table, I see what you're doing there. Naughty. Just want to give them a lot of money. Oh yeah, this thing. Look, you seen this before? Procedural animation. What? I want to try this. This looks super sick. You like separate all the parts out individually, and then you have each of them like track different things on whether or not they should be going up or down. So like, there's a breathing animation that just like takes certain parts of it, then you go up and down. Look at this. Oh, it's ow, so buttery, dude. I would love to do something like this. This is so nice. So nice. Just a very interesting little thing. I don't understand how the hands are separated out in this example because they have like a gap here. Maybe they're just different. Like, I don't really know how that all glues together, but it's so good. So pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Make some games, dude. Make some games. I have resisted the temptation during today's stream into a Persona 3 stream. It was close. Let me tell you, I was fighting for my life in there. No payment is done. Yeah, you get me. Like I think is changing clothing. You mean like for the procedural thing? So it's more pure mind than me? Yeah, no, I just meant like I just want to give them a lot of money. That's all I meant. Just claim you drew each animation frame. Oh. Yeah, just cheat. Oh, I see what you mean now. Yes, they can have like different angle tracking because I guess depending on what you're moving, things closest to you move less than things farther, right? Like if you have a lever, like if this is your thing, right? And you're pivoting from this, like this is your arm, you're pivoting from this to this. The things here only move a certain amount of distance, but the things out here move like way more. You probably need breakpoints in the animation somewhere to make sure that this thing moves more, this thing moves less or something. So you're not just having like a line. That makes sense. Like, yeah, good point. Good point. Well, where do we leave off? What do we do? What do we have so far? We're trying to go to the smelting menu, but there's no smelting menu. We were prefabbing this out, I think. What we were doing. Does this still work? Yes, but I need to change the icon for this. Yeah, sick. Cool. So, what we need to do now is, I think we need to build the furnace. The thing is, the furnace has like two different menus. It has smelting and alloying. Maybe I should split them here. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Yeah. So this will be smelters. Then we can add another one. Add child node. Or furnaces. Or alloys? Alloying? Yeah, alloying. How about that? Something like that. Cool. Let's add another node here. We're gonna call this copper furnace? Copper furnace? Like that? Yeah, something like that. The alloying will also be furnaces. So like these classes will share the same root, but they'll just be in different categories. Well, attach a script. Copper furnace. Here. Class name. Copper furnace extends node. Later we'll abstract this out one, so we'll have an abstract thing that's just a furnace class, but this works for now. Okay. Should we do this, or should we get the tin mine working first? Let's get the tin mine working first. That actually sounds more fun. Okay, so we need to take this thing then and prefab it. It already is a scene, right? Yeah. And I think we got to the point where we were having this thing be set dynamically through the buildings manager, or through the mines. Yeah, this is okay. This is where we actually left off. Now that I remember. Okay. Like every time I pick the project back up, I have to take like 20 minutes to remember what the hell I was even doing. But I think we've accomplished that goal, and I turned my air conditioning back on. Cool. Okay, go to the part where these things are actually created. Setup mine. So setup mine references. Actually create them? No, create the mine here. You need to go to this function. Instantiates a mine. Create mine. It's empty. Oh, that's not good. Do I have the reference for the mine yet? No. So we need a prefab reference first. So these are gonna be scene. I'm gonna start calling it scenes today. I'm gonna remember. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good about this today. I promise. So var mine scene equals. Go to the mine scenes. I didn't put. Why is there scripts in here? Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna rename this folder. Wait, there's a scripts folder too, and there's scripts in the script. Oh no. I'm just gonna just drop that in there. Just go ahead and put that in there. Yep, and then take my scenes and drop. That'll probably break some stuff, but does the game still run? Does it? No. It's because this reference is missing. If it's a good IDE, it will change all my references as I refactor. It didn't. And base nullness, yeah, here we go. This should be scenes. Who else is broken? You're broken. Where do you exist? Yeah, this should be scenes now. Scenes. Inventory display. Try again. Hey! Everything's fixed up. And the first thing I hear is, does the game still run? No. Someone had to test it, you know? I changed where files lived and everything exploded. As I calculated it to be, of course. Also, how's it going, Tom Skeleton the Mediocre? Hey, I still want to pick up our conversation we were having about dyslexia and different colors affecting the way you can read things. That was very interesting. The one that you met, yeah, I brought it up at the end of a stream once, and then you're like, oh, I can talk about more of that, and then I had to go. It was, oh, if only I could stream more. But it's so much better at file movement. Usually just used to just break literally everything. I'm glad it at least knows like internally now when things are rearranged. Like, because I know I don't want to say this. Like, some things don't even care about that. Like, they'll have the references be wrong. So like, you know how main has a script attached? In like PyCharm, if you move this script, main will still look for it in the same spot. It's like, look, that's where it was last time, and I'm not gonna change. You're gonna change. Put it back. Darkest too short. You went from a broken game to a fixed game in a few minutes. Here, I got you. Don't worry. Here. Oh no, it's broken. Are you happy now? Have I made up for my sins? Filler episode. Go here. This mine scene. So this is going to be in res assets. It's going to be scenes, and it should be mine scene like this. Cool. So we should be able to grab this guy now. We're going to say var mine equals this dot instantiate that, and then add child mine. And I should be able to remove this guy now. And it will create one for me automatically. Sick! It's working! Yeah! Make sure this is in the remote. So main, buildings, mines, copper mine, and node at 5. And that's the chemical name for tin, of course. So you do strings for the path instead of exporting a pack scene makes my soul hurt. Sky, why would you do this to me? What's a packed scene? Vaccine works even after moving files? Huh. What's that do, huh? Packed scene. Godot. Export a packed scene? Is this one of those smart way, dumb way things? Because we just had a conversation about this. Scene preload.instantiate. I don't want to instantiate it yet, though. I don't want to do that. Scene equals preload? Is this how to do a packed scene? Simplified interface to scene file provides access to operation and checks that can be performed on the scene resource itself. You use to save a node or file, and saving the nodes as well gets saved to see node owner property. The node doesn't need to own itself. Okay. Export var XXX packed scene. So you do like what? Var mine scene equals what, preload? Yes? Is this what you want? Gotta export it though? Export it where? In the scene? and set it to the inspector. Wait, what? So I go to the scene. I'm assuming I go to the scene. So I go to my mine. Export var xxx packed scene. So I'm in the thing I want to make a packed scene. Do I put it here? This is not in the GD tutorials, let me tell you. Since the scene's hierarchy triggers child instantiation, triggers a no notification note. Type at export. Like up here. Then variable. What, like, for example, at export var test packed scene. It's a variable. Do I put it in the thing I am using it in, or in the thing that it is? So like, you want this? At export, oops, at export var mine scene, or sorry, mine scene. You want this? And then I add it versus the editor? This is what you want? This is what you want from me? Is it? Is it? Just tell me what you want. And I can go here. Can you? Don't exist for a second. Shush. You're fine. Can I go here? Is you're saying? Where's the thing? What? Eh? Mode prop. Why isn't it in the props? There's a weird bug where exports don't show up? I can see that. Hey, John Cho. How's it going, buddy? Hey, we need to play Helldivers. I've been seeing you play it on Steam all the time. I haven't played it yet. Add another random export of type stringer in. It'll show up. No way. Leviathan sent me. Does that actually fix it? Oh, is it? Whatever. Get over yourself. Then click out and click back. Here's what we do. Goodbye. What in the hell? Geoblock. Is it just gonna be here now? Eh? What are you... I'm clicking on the wrong thing. I'm so talented. Did you know that? Clicking on the wrong thing the whole time. Doing it on a main GD? Worse than that, I was doing it on the furnace, dude. I can load this, and I say what? Scenes? Mine scene? Cool. That's a hilarious icon. Sick. So now I can do, if I go to this script, this just works. It just works. And it works the exact same. See, not instantiate to it. This creates a new copy every time I instantiate, right? If it doesn't, I'm gonna throw something. Yes? Okay, 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 we're good. We're chilling. These should not be the same. Okay, yeah, why aren't I using pack scenes? You're so right for that. Yeah, 100%. I actually was going to do it, but I left it as like a little Easter egg to see if you'd catch it. And obviously my chat is full of geniuses, so of course you caught it, obviously. Yeah, yeah, good job. You passed the test. Thank you. Is this way safer than strings? Oh, absolutely, yeah. Hey, I should have done that before I moved all my files around, hey? Working. Yes, sir, just message me if you ever want to play. Good luck with the game. Thanks, buddy. I will. We need to play more funny robot shoot game. I don't remember what it was called, but that was fun too. And Lethal Company. We still haven't played Lethal Company together. I swear we're friends. I promise. John Cho, by the way, IRL friend, good friend of the channel. If they're ever streaming, we'll raid them for sure. But I don't know if they stream anymore. John, do you still stream? You still stream, Mr. Valorant Professional? No, it's okay. I don't blame you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, have I fixed this for you? Just a little? We need to fix all the other ones too, but man, that's so nice. I should use export var for everything, hey? I need to get these to be not here too, but you know my philosophy. Get it working small version, then we make it better. We go to big version. Okay, there's lots of things we have to do here. So for one, we have the name of the mine, we have the products it produces, and we have the hardness. So we need to set the name, the products, and the hardness. So mine.setName, mine.setProducts, mine.setHardness. Could we do all three of these with one? Yeah, probably. Should I just pass in the mine properties? Maybe I do that. That makes more sense, actually. Mine.setProperties, mine prop. property. There we go. This doesn't have a name. Mine name. Oops. Mine name. It's gonna be the same as the key, but that's okay. A little redundancy never hurt anybody. Or did it? Or did it? Is there a way I can pass in the string? Is there a way I can make sure these two things are the same other than just using the key? Probably not, no. Nah. Not without setting it like later. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. You worried about it? I'm not worried about it. Tin mine. Ship it. Ship. Eh? Oh. Right. The name of the thing. Does anyone else feel like you have to take like 20 minutes to warm up into coding before you actually remember how to do anything? Is that just a me thing? Okay. Set properties, pass in the mine properties. So we need to set properties on the prefab. Sorry, the scene. We go here. We're gonna say function set properties. Say sets the properties of the what? The mine, I guess. Oh, the last 3 ores in your Excalibur, those are memes, or are you actually gonna put them in the game? Oh, oh, in the Excalibur. Oh. What were they? I think they were like frog or something, like very strange. Oh. For now, don't worry about these for sure. I can't believe you actually like knocked out all of these already. You're so cracked for that. Insane, man. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, you can. Don't worry about these for now. Don't worry. It's fine. There was one other thing from the other ores package that I wanted to yoink. I think there was a bronze bar, something I needed to grab, but I don't remember. Yeah, don't worry too much about it. Just a little. Insta hired. This guy is. Big Spank is cracked. Cracked, dude. I can't wait to code their game. Their game looks very fun. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I don't want to leak, but their game looks really fun. And their Excalibur is so much prettier than mine. Oh my god. Alright, what do we need to do while we're here? We need to set our name. We need to set products. We need to set hardness. Like that. So for the name, is now the time when I want to convert this thing into a class. Because what I would prefer to do here, if these are the mine properties like this, what I would love to do is this, dot name. So I think I want to set these as a class, dot products. Yeah, it's gonna save me down the line. Something like this. Define these as well. Sets the name of the mine. Function set name. Name. Oops, can't use that. I'm gonna say, this is gonna be crazy. You ready? Whoa. Hardest function I've ever written. Set products. Function set products. Products. Actually, we can't shadow this one either, huh? Oh, it's product name? I don't know if I like that as much as just products. I'm gonna rename this to products. It's gonna break some things, but okay. Do we use this for anything? Emit my name. Couldn't it just emit yourself? Could just emit name. Yeah, we'll just use the name. Like that. We don't need that. Anything else? Anything else use that? Product name, my properties name. Okay, good, we're good. We're gonna say products equals underscore products. This, like that. And finally, we need to set the hardness. Set hardness function. Hey, Cashbox, how's it going, buddy? Hardness. Complicated functions. Hardness equals hardness. Sick. Ship it. Mining finish. Emit. And for product name, right? Should be just products, like so. Cool. All right, let's turn these properties into a class now, or at least, I wish. Okay, so the one thing I really like about JavaScript is interfaces. Like interfaces would be perfect for something like this, but Since we cannot have interfaces, we will do it in a different way. Come back to main, go to the mines. We go up here, we're gonna say, this is instead going to point to classes. So we need to make a class first. We're gonna say class mine props equals, wait, it should be mine props. Mine props. I love interfaces, dude, are you kidding me? They're so sick. They're like name tuples, but a little cooler. What is it? Func init? I think that's the keyword. ed4 init. Oh, Godot 4 init. Oh god, they're all in Japanese. No. Class structor. What is your name, huh? JavaScript devs hate interfaces and TypeScript? Why? They're so sick. Practice Japanese. And Rensho shitakunai. Rensho shitakunai. Let's get there. You can override int. Perfect. Init. Like so. We're gonna have my name. So, or we'll just say name. Name, products, and hardness. We're gonna say name equals name. Oh god, I hate Godot scoping. You're so wrong for that. Var name, var products, var hardness. This cannot be name, it has to be my name. Ugh. Gross. Dude, people like hate on Python's like spaced scoping, but it solves this shit right here. This shit is the worst, dude. Why is it like this? Who made you this way, huh? Cool. My name, product. Wait, you have an extra little guy there. Products. But now your eyes are hurting? Why? Why? What am I doing wrong? Hardness. Hardness, like that. Cool. Product, not just clear. Wait, what's products? I'll you do a thing. Maybe we'll just do the thing. Wait, what are you talking about? What do you not like about this? Let's chef. Okay. You look, man. I'm doing my best. I don't know. What's wrong? Do you not like this? What's wrong with this? How would you prefer I do something like this? Not have the class be local? I'm gonna export it out at some point. Literally the way I program is like, get it working for one case and then expand out. Is that not what you like? I'm curious. Oh, good. LOL. Yeah. No, I wouldn't leave this here. But like the advantage of doing something like this, as opposed to like you create the file and like have everything be nice and organized at the start, is like, what if it doesn't work? Then you're like looking at 9 different files when it's like you can just do it here, make sure it works, and then grab it out later. It's actually the same thing I do when I create like my things that are going to turn into scenes. Is I make the exact thing for one copy and then I abstract out everything that I need for separate copies. And like I can do it one property at a time. It's super controlled, so I can make sure everything's working as I like abstract one thing. So nice, dude. And then once I'm done, I clean it up and ship it. Do I know XML? Yeah. XML is I mean, it's not so much a knowing the language thing as it is just being familiar with how the button, or like how XML works here. So yeah, I know XML. All right, okay, so now for these, we can actually create our own thing. So we can say this equals mine props dot new. We're gonna say the name is copper mine. The products are these things. Yoink. And the hardness is this guy. Yoink. Close it up. Do one of those. Can this fit on one line? I think it can. Yeah, it can. Copper mine ores. Yeah. I myself XML exclusive to mod Age of Mythology? Yo, we gotta play Age of Mythology sometime. I love that game, dude. Play it on stream or something sometime. It's so sick. I just started playing the remastered version with some friends, and we're trying to beat like 3v3 hard AI, and we cannot do it. Turns out RTSs are harder than when I was a kid and played them all the time. Who knew? They've changed. Or maybe I've changed. One of the two has to be true, no? Love Age of Mythology, dude. Except the boat. Except boat maps. I could do without boat maps, dude. It's enough work already to have to do like ground units. Now you want me to build boats too? Oh my god. Calm down there. I only have 7 APM. I can't waste 2 of them on boats, dude. Are you kidding me with that? Okay. This works like this now, which means anything that passes around the props is going to be all broken, but I don't think anything does. And now, in this prefab, we can say this is going to be my name, but whatever. This should work. Did not. Well, the next mine name on base node copper mine GD. Get components mine.mine. Oh, it is. We need it to be mine name. We need both. Can I just say name here? Maybe? Perhaps? Yeah, that works. And they're filling up at different values. Because this one has extra hardness. Yeah, dude. I think when this is done filling up, the game's gonna crash. I'm curious. Let's see. Let's see. You ready? 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 Oh. 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 Yeah. It doesn't exist. Its matching component doesn't exist. So it died. Oh no. Cool. Cool, cool. We should do the same thing with this thing where we abstract out the properties on all these things, but that's okay for now. Being passed by dictionary. It's okay. Okay. When I start itching when I use PC too much, what should I do? Drink a lot of water too. Make sure your like screen brightness isn't too high is a real thing. Also, if you have RGB, I'm actually a victim of this, but if you have RGB on, make sure they're not like pointing into your face. I use signal RGB to make everything stop yelling at me. So it like mutes all the colors on my PC. Drink a lot of milk? Huh. Really? I heard it start. Oh, I see, I see. I don't know, maybe. Just pour some milk in your eyes. It helps. Trust me. Trust me. Also, eye drops. If like your eyes are like dry. Yeah. What is Signal RGB? If your computer has RGB on it, you can use a program like Signal RGB. It doesn't necessarily have to be Signal RGB to sync all your lights. I used mine to turn off all the RGB lights. I love the RGB. It's great for photos. And then as soon as I use my computer, I'm like, oh dear God, they're so fucking bright. Hey, Crate, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Oh, you're starting to say drink a lot of milk. I mean, I'm not gonna fault you for it, you know? Drink a lot of milk, man. Do it. Do it. Why not? Why? Who's gonna stop you? This is message was sponsored by Big Milk to sell more milk. Okay. What else are we working on? Don't drink milk? I respect that. I never bully you. I don't have... Stop talking. I don't have it in me. I'm so sorry. I am only the bullied. I am never the bullier. Let's get rid of this thing. Okay, okay, okay. Back to our prefab. Hate milk. That's a strong stance to take. I like milk. I'm a fan. I like, I'll be honest, I have a weakness for Oreos and milk. They're so good. I'm glad it's difficult to get Oreos in Japan, because otherwise I would just consume Oreos. Like if they were at the Konbini, it'd be game over, dude. I'd be donezo. Oh. You like cheese? I'm a fellow cheese enjoyer. Okay. I really like, one thing I really want is like in the UI, I know we're not worrying about UI stuff right now, but I really want like a drop box behind these things to separate it from the loading bar. I think that'll look. Oh, one other thing I want to do is set the color. Yeah, yeah. Let me start sampling colors from Asprite. So I'll grab from this, maybe this pixel. So these are the colors that TXPeng has so graciously given to us. I think I will grab the third to be the bar color. Yeah, that seems reasonable. Eyedropper me. What is this? Copy. Give me that. We're gonna go to the mines. Back in the mines again. We need one more thing. Var color. Say color. Color equals underscore color. We're gonna have hardness and one thing. Color. Dude, silver is not looking good. I think it looks great. What are you talking about? I think this is great. I think it looks sick. That looks shiny as hell, dude. You kidding me? Change silver? No. I really like it. Does it? What do you not like about it? Do you think something that like feels off about it, or do you feel like it doesn't pop in the correct way? It looks like ice. I think it looks sick. I think that's, I mean, that's kind of what silver looks like. No, it's like, oops. It's like real shiny, right? Silver ingot. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like you're like staring at water, dude. Like this, it just reflects the room. It's a mirror. Right on. So if it looks like that when proofed, yeah, we got proofed silver in here. Do shading? It's got some shading. I think it looks, I love it. I think it looks sick. It's a little, it's not as consistent as the other ones where it doesn't have the like top bar. So like the other ones have the thing where it's like this. But that looks like too shiny. So I think this is good. Like the dark part. Do you want like more of the dark part? Like more of this? Oops. How do I do dropper? What is it? I always forget. You think you'd want it like this? That makes more sense to you? I'm gonna leave it as is for now. We're not even using it yet, so it like definitely doesn't matter. But look at the copper. What am I missing? Confusion. Like I said, we're not even using this yet, so I'm not gonna worry about it for too much for now. Yeah. We need to switch the tin sprite though. Okay, but first let's finish adding the color. So this will be just the hex code. Something like that. And I'm gonna split these up so it looks a little bit nicer. We're not overflowing our line. For tin, let's go grab what color tin is. I'm gonna grab third from the top again. Grab this guy. Copy it up. 434343. I know for your suggestion. No, I appreciate it. Like I feedback is always good. I'm not saying like, no, how could you possibly think that, Cashavox? Like I was just curious on to like what you'd prefer to see out of it as well. That's what you get for talking in my chat, huh? Cool. So these should be able to just do color.modulate. A few arguments for new call. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Give head pats. Head pats activated. Okay. Back to the prefab. Your name cannot be Copper Mime anymore. This needs to be. Head pats are gone. This will be mine. Just in general. I want it to be mine. Yeah, that makes sense. Ow. Wait, balance, catch, save. No, come back, no. Ah, I messed it. I'm trying to balance this stuff on my head now. Ready? Okay, set name, set product, set hardness. So the last one is funk. Set color. We're gonna say we need to modulate the color. So we go to. Oh no! Wait. This isn't where we set the color. What am I doing? I'm silly. It's on it. Give head pats. You got it. It's not in this node. It's in a different node. It's on the UI node. Shoot. Is there a way I can set this after they're connected? Probably, right? I have to just wait for them to actually be done connecting? Yeah, okay, that's okay. I can do that. Gotta go study. Take it easy, Cashavox. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry if I felt like I was insulting you earlier. I was just curious what you're talking about. If I was insulting you, I definitely 100% meant to, you know, Take it easy, man. Good luck on the study. Good luck. Okay. Yeah, I need to wait till they're actually connected. I need to wait till this thing is connected. Where does that happen? I think there's a signal in the mines that it says like, yeah, set up mine references here. Set up mine references. Connect to signals of this mine. Connect to signals. Set up player references. Set UI reference. After we set the UI reference, we can say, hey, mine.set color, because now it will have a reference to the bar. This is perfect. So we can now set color here. Yeah, sick, dude, sick. Okay, so the way we do this, we go back to the mines again. Pickaxe swinging from side to side. So we have a reference to the progress bar. So we can say on set color, we're gonna say set color here. So set color, mine properties dot color. We're gonna create this function. This will not actually do anything on its own. So set sets the color property, does not modulate the color of the bar. There's a set color, color equals underscore color. Gators and ciders are so fun, dude. Grab this guy, properties, bar color. We need a function that then is function apply color. This is what's actually going to go and apply the color to the progress bar. Applies color to the progress bar. Let's see, pass for now, but okay. So this still works. Let me make sure it runs. No, set color. Oh, sorry, it's apply color. Did you run? Work together? Yes, perfect. Okay. So in here, in the UI display, where's the navigation progress display? Yes, you have a progress bar. This progress bar has a color. I think it's in theme? Yeah, look at color. Theme overrides? Colors, yeah. So, wait, this is the color of the text. I don't care about that. Layout, perhaps? Reminding get children, does get children run once or per iteration? It should only run once when that function is called. So, the function you're looking at is, well, this is a sanity check for me too, right? In the mines, we have a signal that says menu components ready. Basically, when the menu components are done being iterated, then we call setup mine references. Setup mine references says for mine and get children, this is only run once. This is run right after the UI is done setting up so that the mines can all hook up to their correct UI component. But it's only called once. Does that answer your question? Hopefully. Get children literally just gets a list of all the child nodes though. If you're curious as to what it... Yeah? Okay, sick, solid, tight. Okay. How did we change this progress bar? Get progress bar, set sprite. Yeah. Where's the color for this? I mean, it's clearly somewhere. If I go to 2D, I'm gonna set the value to like 50 so I can just see the color. Yeah. Okay. This is the font. Styles, maybe? The fill? Yeah, there we go. Style box flat. Oops. Wait. Edit. We need to make a new style box for this and then set it to the correct text value. So 434343 sets it to like that. Cool. We need to make the background a different color too, because a lot of these things are going to end up being gray anyways. We need to make sure that the background is like black or something, so when it fills up, it doesn't look like it's not moving at all. Right? Because currently we have the problem where if I set this value to like 0.5, can you tell? Can you tell which one is which? How much work is game UI and how much is coding? It kind of depends on like you and what you're making. This game is like, I don't know, half and half. It also just depends on how much you want to like work on the UI and work on the game, like the actual game loop, right? There are several games that have like very minimalistic UI. Like, give me an example. Paperclip game. This game is sick. One of the best games ever. This is the UI. It's literally like baby's first HTML page. This game is awesome. Be careful with it. I'll give you a link, but take it slow. Take it easy, you know? You don't need to become the paperclip lord today. You can take your time with it. Don't lose your whole weekend to it like I did. You feel me? Cool. Alright, how do I change the background color, huh? Color outline, theme, background. Oh, here we go. So I set new style box flat, and I can, ooh, that's already kind of doing well on its own. Need to edit this and say background color. Whoa, you were having a rave. Probably just like black. Does that look okay? Yeah, I think that looks okay. And this can be set for all of them. It doesn't actually matter. Like, these will all be prefabbed to black now, which is really nice. Sick. One other thing is the border width needs to be 5. Wait, is it border width? No, it's wrong thing. Wrong border radius. Yeah. So this one I can leave as is, and this will automatically do all this for me. Tick. Because these should all have the same thing. Please add that to the game, thanks. The paper clips? You wanna make a paperclip? Cool. So now, that's the background taken care of. What we need to do is for each node, we need to create the new style for the fill. Property theme override styles fill. Oh boy. How do we create one of these, huh? We could create them all like statically and literally load them. That's not the worst idea in the world now. Create it with a resource and just load them this way, like point to the theme. Do I want to do it that way or do I want to do it through code? This seems easier. Code lets me have consistency. In the theme, it'll become the default if you set it. Yeah. Well, will become the default for each thing that I instantiate. That's the real problem. That was the problem we're having with the Atlas texture too. How hard is it to create a theme programmatically? Can't be that hard, right? I create a new style box flat. I don't think this is too bad. I think this is okay. I think we can do this. Let me go to the script here. So to apply color, we're gonna say, so var theme equals style box flat dot new. We get a new guy. Make a theme file and make any changes there. It'll set in the settings. That theme will become the default. Oh, okay. Maybe it's best I do it this way then. I don't want that. But I can say theme. What are your properties, huh? By configuring various properties of the style box and achieve many new yeah. Let's see. Oh no, we need to actually set the background color ourselves. Shoot. Okay, well that's not too bad. We can say, let's say theme.background. What is it? BG color? BG color equals color 0, 0, 0. That'll make everything black, right? Then we're gonna say oh no, where am I? I'm in the wrong thing. It shouldn't be here. It should be. Oh no, no, this is fine. We have a reference to the progress bar. Yeah. We're gonna say progress bar dot theme equals theme like this. So this should turn everything black or crash. Not set index theme on base int. Oops, I need the progress bar. My bad. There we go. Ship it. Sick. It turned everything black. If I change this color to like 255, will it change it to red? Nope. Why? Are these floats? Oh yeah, they are. So I need to do like what? 0.9? That's probably why. Still no? How does color work, huh? Floating point value usually ranging from 0 to 1. Such properties can be modulate. We support values greater than 1. Okay. So I should be able to say, yeah, 0.900, I guess. Why is it not applying correctly? Color 0.9. Means that background color equals 0.9, 0.0. That doesn't, that should never matter. 0.2 maybe? Shouldn't this have like, shouldn't this be changing? This is the progress bar, right? Player and progress bar, update mining progress bar is value. Yeah, it's accessing the value directly, so I don't understand why it can't access the theme directly. Let's go to here, progress bar. What is this? Styles. Oh, I need to change the style. It's style dot background, I guess. Let me see. Let me see. What is this? Properties fill mode, set percentage. Theme properties color, the color of the text, font outline, hint, okay, outline size, font. But style box background, the style of the background. I need to say background equals C. In which case, the background and the fill are separate, so I don't need to make a new one for the background. Okay, never. We're chilling, dude. We're chilling. I can say fill. Out that where I'm getting to here. Yeah, fill the style of the. Okay, perfect. We're getting somewhere, dude. I can say fill equals this, and now it'll be 0.2.2. That'll look real weird. Valid index fill on base progress bar type. With value of type style box flat. Is that not right? Is that not what you want from me? Go here. What does the fill need? Needs a style box. Oh, what's a style box? Inherited by these things. Style box flat. Wait, what? You are a style box flat, you nerd. What are you talking about? Am I getting the right property? Style box is fill underscore fill. Or just regular fill. This is style box flat. Whoa. Hey. Can I just do this? Still no, huh? It's not a fill. Progress bar GD with type. Value of type style box flat. Maybe I should pass it the color it's supposed to be and let the style bar or let the progress bar handle it. That makes more sense to me, I guess. Dot set color. Color. Something like this. That way we can do everything locally. That makes more sense to me. Now we have access to the actual progress bar itself. Okay. Function set color class. Sets the color of the fill to the mineral, to the resource color. Resource building color, I guess. Building color, like that. Okay. So, how do we do this now? We need to modulate the progress bar. Go here. Go to here. Wait. You show me? Yeah. So is it in theme override? Files background fill. Weird. But because I should be able to do this now. I should be able to. Hey, tea time. Yo, how's it going? From one scuffed raid to another. How are you? How are you? How'd the rest of your stream go? Hope you're chilling. Welcome to Godot. I'd show you our game so far, but it currently crashes when I load it. No, it doesn't. It's fine. Can't hear me? So sorry. All good. TY for the raid. Give the wave and the the game did crash. See? Give the heart emoji too. I don't know why they don't have volume, but hey, welcome in everybody. We're building an idle game. We've only been working on it for a couple days, so it doesn't look great so far, but you can kind of see where we're headed with it. You can click this. You can go to the next menu. It doesn't exist yet, but you know, it will eventually, probably. Hello, Furry Catboy. Hello. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Okay. What were we doing? Oh, right. I'm just trying to get this color to change on the progress bar. And I can do it by hand. Like, I can set it here for sure. But for some reason, I can't set it, like here. Because he hates me and I have to force quit stuff so my stream and actually end. Oh, no. Oh, no, Star. I hope your PC is feeling better soon. Fine? Hey, good to hear, man. Take fine. So, this is 100% a style box flat. Can I do, like... Can I, in the progress bar, can I just access fill? Like, if I type fill, it's not a keyword? Then what are you, huh? Tell me what you are. It's not a property. It's a theme property. Oh, I see. So I have to do... What is it? Theme property? Theme prop? Wait, is it dot theme? Dot fill? That's kind of gross, no? I kept asking this very personal question. You can ask. No promises on answering, but you can definitely ask. I'm not gonna hate on you for asking. That color. So we're gonna have this guy equal style box flat. That's a little yucky, but okay. I'm not Free Foxtail. I am Ace. If you were curious. Var. What do I want to say? What do I say? Theme equals this. Yeah. Theme is this thing. Stylebox flat. Here we go. Here. What is? Oh, it's not new. What am I doing? What am I doing? This. Okay, now I can say this needs to be new theme, I guess. New theme. Whew. If you right click in the inspector, you can see what its name is. So if I do this, I can do this. Like I can go like this. Copy. And then what? Like paste? Go. I cannot. Sky, what's up, Lumi? How's it going? What is this? You can Google it to find out. Not sure that's a do a dab. I'm gonna need to borrow an arm. Hang on. Arm. No? Can I do like a hand? Can I get a hand from something? Not looking good. I don't think it works. I can do one in real life and all it will do is break the tracking, but it's funny. You want me to try? Here we go, ready? It kind of broke it. Made me like snap off to the right. Got a Google dab? I don't know what a dab is? Ah, bro. Get a dab. Look at it. Look at it. Look at him go. What? No. Oh god. Do a dab. Perhaps? This is what I meant. This is what some of these are. Don't look at this, children. This is a dab. This is also, don't worry about that second one. I'd prefer to keep my channel alive today. But hey, whatever happens, happens. My bad. Please explain the second image. It's it's a weed. What are we doing? We're making games, dude. We're making video games. And I'm trying to set this style of the progress display, even though this is completely inconsequential to the vertical slice of the game. I don't care. I want to figure it out. Another cancellation graduation stream? This is why I'll never be corporate. Not because I don't want to, because it would be in their best interest to never hire me. As a protection to their own company. I should be able to say this guy then, yeah? And I can say new theme dot what? Dot fill dot background color, I think is what I want. Background color? Yeah. I can say dot what is this? What are you? BG color. Dot BG color equals color. Right? X color? I think that works. Does that works? No. Validate fill on a base null instance with value up to what? On null instance? It's the theme. What? Is it the theme override? What? What? So confused. Here's a link to what I'm talking about. Furry Foxtail. I mean, I can't talk about that on stream. I just don't think anyone's really that interested. Where's theme set? Like on the thing that exists. It's like on this thing. It comes for free. Is this the theme over? It's like the theme of the progress bar. It's not set in. It's just there. Demo. I don't think that works, but I'll. Well, it'd have to be this, right? Is this an? It's not a. No. Yeah. No, this won't work because this isn't a child node. Yeah. It should be just like. Should be theme. Yeah, like I said, Furry Fox. I'm cool with talking about that. I just don't think anyone really cares or want to hear about it. Like, it's like the least significant thing about me. I don't know. I mean, listening when you have 0 GD script, it's just like normal developer questions, no? Like, you got your head in the right place, you know? Demo when? I hope like by sometime next month for sure. Upload it on itch and let people play like the first few levels of it. Wait, games out of Redstone? Yeah, you should. That sounds fun. Also, hey, Bass Boy. Welcome. I didn't get to say yo to you today. Get back from YouTube. Also, hello. It should be able to go. Is it theme? That's a signal. You're lying to me. Look, if I type theme, it says right here, theme is a property. You're the worst for that. Dot. Oh. I see the problem. Here, how do I get to you? Is it in style? Is it style? We going back to the drawing board, dude. Yeah, Donnie the Pony. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Ace explains why you don't bully me. I'm so sorry. Your life kind of reminds me of PewDiePie. Very similar, in fact. Really? Huh. Interesting. I really liked him when I was growing up, and now I don't remember like a single video of his that I watched. Like it must have just been in that age where like I don't know. Like I don't know two things about him, but I watched him play so much Minecraft. It's actually crazy. Me too. Yeah, like I like remember his face and what he sounds like, sort of, but I don't remember ever watching his videos. It could have also been there's a period in my life that I like don't remember for about 2 years due to a really bad head injury. It might have been during that time that I watched him actually. Maybe that's why I don't remember. I don't know. Do you guys want to hear a story about how I got a really bad head injury and forgot 2 years of my life? It's kind of interesting. Okay, so clearly you exist. Clearly you're real. You are not real. How do I change the theme property? Huh? Did I have done this the dumb way? Would the dumb way have been faster? Dax Scott games for Luigi's Mansion? Dang. Don't mind you? Okay. Okay, if you want to lurk or something, go for it, man. No problem. What? Alright, I'm looking up an example. Go to set theme. It's not minding. Ow. We moving on? Okay. This is how I make a theme. So confusing. Progress bar, Godot. Progress bar, that's you. Color font fit. Ah! How do I set it? Theme property descriptions. Yeah, you. I want you. I just want you. You're the only one that matters to me, Stylebox Phil. I just want to know how to talk to you, okay? I miss you. Please call me back. This is the part that fills the bar. Thanks, bro. So I can't do... What? I feel like I cook so much, I make so much progress, then I get hung up on something like this, so I'm just like, hey, oh. This guy filling the voicemail, Stylebox, no. Hey, Stylebox, it's been a little bit. I was just wondering if you still remember me, and if we could just connect real fast. I was just thinking of you the other day. I'm not drunk or anything, but I just think it'd be really nice to talk if we could. Please come back to me, Stylebox. Theme. You exist. Theme type variation? Theme? Theme DB? New theme? Add theme color override? Add theme font set? Wait. Theme override? What is this? What is color constant? Onset icon style. Get theme style box? Can I change it there? Where's set theme style box, huh? I can get it, but I can't set it. God, you play so hard to get style box. Why are you like this? Add theme style box override? Maybe? Name string name. Stop. What in the hell? What even are you at this point? Maybe I just skip this and figure it out later, huh? Clear color. Can I just... This works though, right? Like if I just do print theme. Like you're real, right? You are not real. Object, no. You don't have a theme at all? You're not real? What? Okay. Here's what we're gonna say. Fix this later. We did it. We don't have to work on this anymore. Nice. It says bring up a conversation where you don't remember everything. You remember everything from your existence except for year 1 and 0. Yeah, I'm literally missing like 14 to 16 in my memory. I remember nothing because I hit my head really hard. And a sauna ticket? Yes. All right, here's the story. of how I hit my head really hard. Okay. The start of the story is I was like 14. Maybe I was like 13 when it happened. I don't actually remember. I think it was 14. I was ballpark it. 14. Whatever. Whoa. Add theme style box override fill new theme. No way. Hold up. The story can wait. Add theme style box override fill. No way. If this works, I'm VIPing you. Alright, that's a VIP. Yep. How do I do that? How do I slash yep. You're the best. You're the best person to ever do it. Yep, that's a Yep, that's a VIP. Yep. Sick. Well done. Holy shit. First stream ever was being able to lose stream being chased by an airplane. That seems like bad, but not that bad. Like, you just turn around, no? How's it gonna catch? If you're being chased by an airplane, and like, this is the airplane, right? And it's flying at you, you're like, oh no. Airplane. What planes have I been on, huh? Like the big wing out here, and like some of these guys, right? You're getting airplane. This thing's going like hella fast, right? It's coming after you. You're down here. Airplane's coming this way. It's catching up to you. Oh no. Just go this way. It can't turn around. It's gonna take forever. Hey, shush. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Thanks for fixing my code. I appreciate that more. Did it in my dream? Sick, dude. Got it. Why is Ronald tanking and vote? I don't know. I don't control the votes. If Radium was here, they could post the vote for us. Or Toast, you can, or Baseboy, you can post the vote too. If people want to post, I'm gonna be playing like I play variety games on Wednesdays. So if there's a game you want to see me stumble my way through, go vote for something. It's in the Discord. Yeah, like a Fortnite playing. Oh, yeah, then you lose. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, here's a story of how I hit my head really hard and forgot a bunch of things. So, yeah, I was like 14, I think. Again, I don't really remember anything. And I was on a church mission trip, which was a thing that I did when I was a small baby, and they were as exciting as they sound. You get to go to a different state on a bus, and then help people. The thing about helping people is that sometimes it's like, oh, we're building houses for people. Whoa, that's crazy, right? What a great thing to do. This is a legitimate, like, sweet, dude. Sometimes you volunteer at a soup kitchen. Whoa, soup kitchen? That's awesome, man. Good for you. And sometimes it's, we have too many people and we need to occupy some of you. And there's a farm nearby. So you're gonna go work on a farm for a day for someone that's completely capable of just hiring people, but you're free. I got the farm group. I was farm group. Yeah, farm group. So, what I got to do, instead of doing actually fun things, was help out on a farm all day. These things included very, very cool, interesting things like being yelled at by a mean old lady yelling at her free labor. That was cool. Loved that for me. And other things like getting like fruit off of a tree with a ladder, despite the fact that I was again 14 and didn't know how to use a ladder properly. Not like I didn't know how to go up the ladder. I could do that part, but like how to put it against the tree such that it won't fall down with me on it. Didn't know how to do that part. So it did, and I just had to hold on to the tree till we got the ladder back on the tree, and then I could climb down. Anyways, unsupervised 14-year-olds being yelled at by a mean old lady to work on a farm. Fun times. Sounds like a cult. You're on to something. The mean old lady gives me a task. She goes, hey, I need to give the horses a bath, which was code for, hey, you're going to give the horses a bath in about 20 minutes. But what we need to do is there's like a tub that we need to fill up, right? She goes, I put a hose in the tub like this, and it's filling up with water right now. So it's like, I don't know, this much water, whatever, right? It's going to keep filling up. Make sure it doesn't overflow. And I'm like, you got it, man. I will 100% make sure that this tub does anything but overflow. So I completely forgot about the tank. And about 30 minutes later, I look over And wouldn't you know it, the water level is overflowing. Shoot. There's water coming out of it. This was the only thing I was told to not do. So I'm like, oh shit, I gotta go turn that hose off. So here's the tank of water that is overflowing. And here's your boy, your good pal Skygray. In between me, there are 2 fences. Here is fence number 1. Here is fence number 2. The fences have like animals in between them. This is a pig. I'm gonna name him Jared. I don't know why. So I need to clear, because I'm in another cage with like animals in it. I need to clear 2 fences to get to the water tank. So I take a running start. I jump over the first fence. I tuck my legs. I look so cool. I look so sick. Right over it. No problem. Land in like the pig pen. 1 fence down. I start running up to the second fence. And there is concrete here in front of where the horse tank is. And so I think to myself, okay. We cleared the first fence, right? Absolutely. But this one's a little more dangerous. If we mess up, we might fall onto concrete. So let's take it slow. Let's take it easy. I don't want to hurt myself. So I go to slowly climb over the second fence. As I am climbing, as I get to the very top rung of the fence is probably like, I'm gonna say like 5 or 6 feet. It's not that tall, right? The first fence was smaller, it was like 3 feet maybe, and I just like could clear it pretty easily by jumping. The second one was a little bit larger. I think it was again maybe like 3 or 4 feet, because I think in my head I was like, I can definitely clear it. Either way, it's a made up story, so I'm exaggerating. I jumped 100 feet over the first fence. It was insane. You should have been there. As I'm climbing over the second fence, as I am on the top rung, I hit my leg against the fence, and it just in the perfect way that I flip completely over, rotate over the fence, and land directly on my head onto the concrete. Now, I don't know if you've ever blacked out or passed out before, but the sensation is the following. I was on the fence, I flipped over the fence, and I immediately got back up. No, that is not what happened. I jumped over the fence, I fell onto the ground, and was lying on the ground for about 15 minutes until another kid noticed that there's a guy laying on the ground with blood coming out of his head. That's not supposed to be happening on the farm. It's not part of our instructions. We're probably going to get yelled at for that. So, like any good mission trip person, he comes over and pokes the wound with his hand. Very gross. Don't do that. It's not official procedure. He helps me get up, and again, I thought I got up on my own. And he's like, hey, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I gotta make the tank not overflow. And he's like, well, we turned it off about 20 minutes ago, so you're good on that front. You've been laying here. Are you okay? And I'm like, psh, yeah. And then an adult comes over, as should have been happening like 20 minutes ago, and goes, no, not okay. So they take me to the hospital, and the doctors are like, hey, the first doctor goes, hey, we're going to put you in an MRI to see what the damage is, and then we need to staple your head back together. And I'm like, okay. So they take an MRI, and the doctor goes, you know, it looks like you're okay. No concussions. And sends the MRI imaging back to my home doctor in my hometown. And he's like, you're good to go. We'll patch your head up, but it doesn't look like there's any damage. All set. And I'm like, oh, sweet, man. What great, convenient, lucky news for me. So we get back to the mission trip, like, center, gymnasium, whatever the hell we were staying in. And I'm like, cool, man. Sounds like I'm good to go. I'm tired. I'm gonna fall asleep. About 2 hours into my very peaceful sleep, I was woken up by someone, an adult, I don't remember who had just been on the phone with my mom and my home doctor, who said not only does he have a concussion, he has 4 concussions, which I didn't even know was possible. I thought it was like an off and on switch, right? I didn't realize you could get more than one. But apparently, you can, if you jostle your brain around enough. He goes, he needs to come home immediately. And this is the weirdest part. So, this is the part where things get like very, very hazy for me, and I start to not really remember things very well. But when I go to talk to my doctor, like I go home from the mission trip, right? So I don't remember when, if it was at the end or whatever. Because again, I'm sorry to like lose it from here. But I remember going to the doctor's office and they go, yeah, you have 4 concussions. Is there anything that you notice is different about like how you are now? And I'm like, nah, well, I can't smell anymore. And they're like, oh, could you before? And I was like, yeah, pretty sure. And they're like, oh, that's bad. So they do another like scan. I am okay. Like nothing is bad. But here's the hilarious part. So if you have 4 concussions, there's not really like a treatment for you, right? Your brain will heal it over time. Like that's just how concussions work. Your brain will heal the thing. Definitely don't sleep for a while and make sure like you have someone taking care of you and like making sure you're okay, right? And inform, like you have to go in for regular checkups and all this stuff, right? But the instructions for what you're supposed to do to let your brain heal if you have 4 concussions is do nothing. Like literally nothing. Not like go home and rest. Like go home and look at a wall. Like don't think, no thinkies. Don't play games. Don't do anything. Do nothing. Because you just, if you start moving like blood around your brain, it could hurt you. So I go home, and it was near my birthday. And you know what I got for my birthday? Why, Portal 2, of course. So I ignored everything that the doctor told me. I'm leaving the realm of things I remember and transitioning into stories that I've heard about myself during this time. But basically, it went like this. I got home. I called up my good buddy, whose name I'm going to make up a different name for, Kevin. I called up my buddy Kevin. I'm like, dude, I just got to come home from the mission trip early, and my aunt got me Portal 2 for my birthday. You want to hang out and play Portal 2 with me? And he's like, hell yeah, man. I'll be over. So we're hanging out. We're playing Portal 2. Even though I shouldn't be doing anything. It's so fun. We have a good time. We play the game all day. We finish it because we just one-shot the whole game, taking turns, eating pizza, as you do when you're 14. Best day ever, right? I wake up the next morning and I go, oh my god. Dude, I just remembered. My aunt got me Portal 2 for my birthday. We should play it today. And my friend Kevin, whose real name I'm probably accidentally going to say, is someone who can immediately commit to a bit. So he goes, yeah, man, of course we should play this brand new game together. I'll tell you what, he was really good at it the second time around, which was the first time around for me again. I had forgotten the entire previous day where we played the game. The weird thing about like memory loss is you don't like remember not having the memories. So I was just like, I wasn't thinking like, what did I do yesterday? I was just like, dude, new game. So we played the entire game over again. It was sick. It was so fun. Yeah, just ran it back. So they call it a blessing? You know how people are like, oh, I wish I could forget all about a game and play it again. Just hit your head really hard. It can be you. You can literally let it be you. And then I don't remember like 2 years of my life. Just go on. Hope nothing important happened during that time. I don't know. You'll pass. I don't recommend it particularly, but you can do it. Gotta do that with Celeste. Do you have a farm nearby? It can be you. This guy went, I forgore. I literally, yeah, I forgore. I fully forgore. Yeah. Forget a whole entire driving test. I had to like postpone my driving test. I didn't get my license. I was like 21 because of it. Guy was hurting himself somehow. This week's hurting. Doxed himself again. Yeah, we have had 2 stories about me hurting myself this week, huh? Maybe I should calm it down a little bit. At least I haven't doxed myself today, I don't think. Have I? If I would, you would have told me, right? Anyways, what were we doing? We were making games, I think. I think we were making games. How did chat get hurt? Whoa. Would you remember if you did? Wait, what? What? That's profound. What? Eh? That's a good point. Just remember the last thing again? Let's get the infos. Zemical 119. My dying words are my address. Just make sure you send them to the right place, you know? He's in Tokyo. That's all we have. Somewhere in Japan, there is a man that needs help. Oh, okay, we'll be right on it, man. No worries. Oh, man. Red Sky lives close to a company. Doxed? True. Not one, not two, but three. There are three that are within walking distance. Crazy. I love Japan, dude. It's so nice. Okay. Let's keep making games, huh? So this works now. This fill actually works. I need to set the border radius too to make sure that that fill, like works. But let's see. Yeah, border radius, and I think we're good. Then we start working on smelting. I need to prefab this like progress display. Right, the game crashes. Got majorly injured in school once. Oh no, what happened? Also, I have to take my hoodie off. I am weltering. Model might do something crazy. We'll see what happens. Gonna freak out. Can't see my face for a second. Hoodie's coming off, man. Gotta take off the model too, but so it goes. All right, 3, 2, 1, flip out. Oh, it handled quite. Ow! It handled that quite well. I'm pleasantly surprised. You'd think, despite it being like 40 degrees outside, I wouldn't be toasting, but gotta go. I finished 3 manufacturing stuff. Give it a look. Also fixed the silver belt. Should be more eye candy. Whoa, you are too talented. I'm so excited. I'm so. You make me feel like a kid on Christmas. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. This is the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen. It caught my eye immediately from across the room. Look at it. That's purple gold, dude. That's beautiful. Holy. You've somehow captured like industrial and also like, what's like that pixel retro style? You know what I'm talking about? It's just, ow. I caught the can. Whoop. It's so good, dude. I want to switch the tin icon over because I like this so much better. God, nothing was dislocated, but it was unbearable to walk for a whole. Where's the worst foot cramp was? I was doing like box shuffling with my feet. My cousin, I landed my left foot the wrong way. Oh man. Eesh. It's like Royal Sovereigns? I don't know what that is. Damn. Look, it's so pretty. So pretty. Please play Helldiver so I don't feel bad for spending all day every day playing it. We could do like, would it be fun to do like a community day where we play games like multiplayer? Like Helldivers? Dude, for Persona, okay, I've been thinking about this. Would I want to do like an extended series of like playing the same game at the same time slot over and over and over? Like, I don't know. I'm trying to think of like, because, okay, so there's a lot of things here. Like, I'll be open about a lot of this stuff because like, I don't get the point of hiding it. So there's certain things that I'm like trying to reconcile. One is like the YouTube algorithm does not enjoy when I switch things. So I'm trying to keep it consistent on YouTube to only upload like certain things. And I think Twitch probably works somewhat the same. On the Gaming Wednesday to play a game start to finish. That's what I'm like trying to figure out. Like, do I want to do like, because I really like having the community vote because I feel like you guys are like, or in like, it gives you more control over what's going on. So I don't want to just be like an absolute tyrant, be like, no, I'm playing my game. YouTube doesn't like when you have diverse content? Correct. I might actually stop putting the Wednesday games, like streaming the Wednesday games to YouTube. I haven't decided yet. I don't know. No, that feels bad because I know a lot of people only watch on YouTube and I don't want them to like not. You know what? All right, I'll take the stance. Frick the algorithm. I'm just doing it how I do it now. I don't even know why I considered that, huh? I would never do that to the YouTube people. Maybe one day off that switches between solo game and community game each week. It would take me like a year to finish Persona 3 in that case. But maybe I do like Thursday dev, Friday dev, Saturday, Sunday dev. Maybe Monday is like play game. Maybe Monday is play game day. I don't know. I'll think about it. One choice, 2-story bag rack, grade 9. There's a girl on the bag. What's a bag rack? So she thought I took her skirt. Got off the bag rack. Everything dragged me backwards over about 4 meters of concrete. Holy shit. Oh, dude. Yikes. God damn. But like, oh, so I just grind in one day, then following week play with the community or community games once a month. I think like once a month would be perfect for that. Do the scummy thing where it's like subs only. Start a week to play the game. I like that idea. Oh, yeah, like on Mondays. Okay, maybe next Monday we start Persona then. That sounds really fun, actually. It sucks, though, because it's less time for deving. And, like, due to the way my visa works, I literally cannot stream more. It would be illegal for me to stream more. I can only, like, work 28 hours a week, given my current visa situation. Because I'm technically a student, and they don't let you go over certain hours on a Japanese student visa. So since I spent like an hour editing after the stream, that's 4 hours, and I have 1 day off, so I literally cannot stream more. That's why I take Tuesdays off. Now they're watching though, I have to report my time is the only reason it gets weird, and like I just export off Twitch for the time. I could technically skimp out on the editing time, but like then they're gonna see that I have a really low editing time, so I don't know. It's dumb. It makes sense. Because most jobs aren't like this where I can just be like I'm having a good time. I'm just being casual with this, right? Like it's totally fine. No one cares. Whereas like if you're working like a actual job, like doing things like working at a company or doing like freelance development or something, you're using your brain for that. And like the main purpose of you being here is studying. So I get where they're coming from. I think we're all adults here. Like maybe just let us handle our own time properly. And if we fail the school, then we start talking. But you know, that's just like my opinion, man. You know. Either way, it's not up to me. I gotta work with the confines I got, you know? Cool. Speaking of confines, let's keep making games. Okay, so Sugoi has the same situation? Yeah, it's rough, man. Dependent visa, and it's the same for her with her hours working? Wait, you still have that on a dependent visa? Huh. Weird. I figured dependent would let you work up to 40, no? What's the reasoning there? You're making too much money for you to be technically dependent, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Japan is whack with that kind of stuff sometimes. It is what it is. Okay. So like I said, these are working. Oh, the border radius. Let's do that. Scripts, navigation, progress bar here. We say new theme dot. What is this? Radius? It's radius. We go to this. Wait, I can actually see the prefab thing. Yeah, here. Wait, what? You. Yeah, you. Go to progress display. What is it called? Corner radius? Can I do dot corner rate? Corner? Oh, you're kidding me. I have to do each of them individually? Oh, jeez. Okay. I mean, I will, if you make me. The bottom left, bottom right. Top right, I guess? Is it top right? Top left, top right. Yep. Okay. Top left, top it. Okay. Ship it. Nice. Curvy. It's a corner radius all? There just ain't no way you're this talented, huh? Set. Corner. No way. I've already given you the highest honor I can give you. I'm gonna VIP you again. You have 2 gems next to your name now. What's that thing for Toho mod? Sick, dude. Nice. How's that going? Mod next? It's not. I'd have to. Yeah. I'll just hand you my stream key next. How's airplane flights? Never been on one. Depends. Like, they're not the worst thing in the world. Drink a lot of water is my only like real suggestion about airplane flights. Airplane fights. Oh, they're very dehydrating, just because you're like the cabin's really dry and you're like exhaling and losing a lot of water. So, yeah. Pay me. I mean, there's I don't know. I don't want to devalue. Shush. It's VIP badge. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do that. He's such a loyal viewer. Okay. I mean, I can fix the crash next, but I think I want to do. That's the last like property thing I want to. Oh, we need to change the amount that these things have too. And if we have 0, then it just shouldn't work at all. It should be disabled entirely. Okay. On the clave for break invaders? Shoot, you so right. You already have a sword. Yeah, if he removes mod. Oh, true. Yeah, it does. Yes, yes. That's a good point. Yep, yep, yep. 100% believe Leviathan on that one. Yeah, you want the mod or the sword? You have to pick. They're mutually exclusive, of course. Don't look at Viridian's profile right now. Okay, update display money. Mod is VIP? Not quite. Also, that was maybe a little bit of a lie, but okay. Hey, what? Hey, Chaz. Thanks for the gifty sub. And hey, Shush. Congrats on getting a sub. Enjoy your emotes. We're getting more soon. I'm very excited. We're getting one with me holding a gun. Finally. They let me do it. Looks into Viridian's profile. He has every badge. It's hilarious. The next one I need to give him is the camera badge, and then we've completed the cycle. Then he will have collected them all. Okay, let's see. I think I want to do the smelting next. I think I'm gonna not. Let's see. I think I'm gonna remove this for now. I don't think I'm gonna use it. So that way we just have the one that works. So we should just have this one. This is just a default thing that gets instantiated now. That's fine. Wait, what? Why is there two of them? There's only one thing in this list. Huh? Why is there a second one still? What? Try again? What? That doesn't make any sense. There's for sure only one thing here, no? Because there's a comma? Surely no, right? No, that would be ridiculous. For mine and mine's create mine. What? Mine equals mine's set properties. Eh? What in the hell? Camera badge is my badge. It's what you get for being a broadcaster. It's literally the only way to have it. It's literally the guy that's lying. I'd have to give you my stream key. You have the artist badge? I am out of artist badges. I only have 5 to give. I apologize. Why is this setting up a second? Is this because it's a pack scene and not a regular scene? If it is, I'm going to laugh so hard. If I go here, does it have 2 things in the remote? Mine's what the heck? It only has 1. What? Hey, what? 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 Music note badge? I wish. There's no musician badge. There are 2 of you. I only see 1 node. Player UI progress bar products. You have a value. Let it make it exist. It's okay. It exists. It's just very, very difficult. It's very difficult to see. It's invisible. Run randomly in the UI controls. Oh, you're right. You're right. It's not here. It's in the UI controls. Yeah. Sorry. You're so right for that. Yeah. No, that's totally correct. It's in the menu control. Mine's menu. Yeah. Oh, here we go. This thing is creating 2 of them, and it's just not hooking up correctly. This should do that more elegantly if it doesn't exist. It should say like, hey, I'm not real. You are not real. Does this mean that this... Maybe I'll just leave it then. It's actually okay. We need a spot in the inventory for it though, for tin ore. So let's go to the inventory. The copper mine. Oops. Yeah, we need... What? Eh? Wait. Okay, 2 things. 1, oh my god, thank you so much for the sub. 2, how did you... You can do this? How did you do that? You can subscribe for more than 1 month at a time? You're blowing my mind with that. I didn't realize you could do it. Oh my god, thank you so much. For the next 3 months. I hope you still get to have a chat message for doing that. Damn, I didn't know? I am sorry, I did not know. Thank you so much, man. Jesus Christ. Oh. Is a hype train going? I don't know what that means, but there is one. Look at it. We're 62% of the way there. To something. The train taking off, perhaps. Get the train going. Get the train going if you feel like it and you have the means to do so. Don't do it for the bit, you know? There's a rule on CGP Gray's Patreon that says if you're a student, you are not allowed to participate. And I have a similar rule. If you're a student, you are disallowed from subbing or anything. I think we had a very smooth voice to listen to all more. You're too much for me right now. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you enjoy listening. You make it all worthwhile. Damn. I feel all warm and fuzzy now. It's much better than I felt when I was talking about how I didn't remember 2 years of my life, I'll tell you that much. I feel like we have 0 tin ore. Isn't that wild? Does it crash? Does it crash? Does it crash? Does it crash? One time, don't crash. Hang in there. It should make it so it doesn't crash, even though there's no inventory display for it. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I want to be able to customize what's up at the top for the inventory too. I think that'd be really cool. It crashed. Oh, because we don't have any buildings for it yet. Right. Right. Tin mine. Yeah, that makes sense. If I set the amount to 0, it would just make 0 every time. That's really funny. We'll have 1 for now. I want to have 1 of each of these so that way I can, when I get to the alloying, I can have it like combine them together into one thing. Yeah. This is where custom resources are coming handy. I know. I'll convert it eventually. Again, I just want to make sure that like it gets the simple version is working. Once I get up to making alloying working and like once I have one thing here, one thing here, one thing here, one thing here, then I'll start going back and converting everything. And then my idea is it'll be really fast to add everything all at once right at the end, right? If I know everything works here, like one by one, and then I can convert to a custom resource, I can immediately just be like, add this. This is the sprite. This is what it looks like. This is its hardness. This is what it produces. Go, go, go. Hopefully. Milk tastes so good. Exactly, man. You understand me, base boy. Chocolate milk is best. I enjoy chocolate milk. I like strawberry milk too. Kind of a weird opinion. No, but I think it's good. I like it. What? What? I can't. 26? First of all, most importantly, nice. Second of all, dude, what the fuck? Eh? Excuse me? You're wild for that? Are you good, man? Holy shit. You wanted to see what would happen? I mean, it happened. That's what happened. The second thing that's very funny about this is that this is going to continue going off for a while. So we're just gonna have to let it Churachomp. Hello. Hey, so you know how you guys say my voice is real smooth and great to have in the background while you're working? May I introduce you to the champion of background streams, Churachomp. You're live? How the hell are you doing this? What? Okay, you're a wizard, first of all. But second of all, go check out this channel. It's absolutely awesome. How did you do that? Are you multiboxing? Are you listening to me while you're working? What is happening here? I don't know Churachomp was here either. Eh? You're also streaming. I'm so confused. Oh, this guy then Churro combo? It's the best one. I listen to Churro while I'm editing videos. I'll give it up. It's the nice lo-fi music and the chill game dev. Oh, man, game dev stream's the best for working in the background. Am I right, guys? Chaz, the alerts are still going off. Thank you so much, man. Jesus Christ. You making my dreams come true, man. I don't know what else to say. I'm very... Yeah. You're so nice, man. Oops. No, you're good. You just kind of broke my brain a little bit. I didn't realize people could be so nice and generous. Oh man, thank you so much, dude. Do you want an Easter egg in the game? I'm willing to sell out. Do you want to be in the game? You wanna be a little egg? I can make like Chaz ore. Here's what I'll do. This is what you are now. There's a new menu. There's a new menu in the game. It's a hidden menu. So you know how we were talking about there's golden coins you can find during the game that are like the cookies and cookie clicker? Right? They just pop up on the screen randomly. If you're paying attention to the game, you can click on it and you're supposed to get a bonus. This is what the bonus now does. If you click the coin, you unlock the secret menu. It is eggs. For Easter eggs. I will let you, I say, as if I'm gatekeeping. Give me what you want. I'll put you in the game. I'm being dead serious. This is to show my appreciation. I'll let you pick. I'll The icon, what you want your icon to be, the name. You don't have to pick right now. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're good. Pick the icon, the name, and the upgrade, and the cost. I'll do balancing if I need to. Here's what this is gonna look like. So you click the thing, you unlock the secret eggs menu. I'm gonna have an icon for your thing. I'm gonna have a name. If you want to pick a name, I can just say like Chaz Byron upgrade. It's gonna have a cost and an upgrade. So you can have this be like player mining speed plus 50% or something like that, right? And this will be a unique upgrade. This is for you. This is yours now. And maybe I extend this to other people too, but you get the first one. You don't have to pick right now. We can discuss this, but this is you now. You're in the game. Congrats. Oh man? No, you oh man. This is what you get for 26 subs, dude. That's crazy. Crazy. Why you make you blush? You made me blush. You just can't tell because I don't have a blush emote. But if I had one, I'd be clicking it right now, let me tell you. And first, hey, Klexon, Macedo, Rednecks, Scorpified, Runes, Venomous Dogs, Nukebird, Lemon37, Drifting Dodo, Danny Akiva, Churchomp, Region 101, Mino Paz, The Evil Hollow, something random things, Fritsky, Push, Toy Small Knights, Psycho, Donnie the Pony, Hostess, Misaki, Wall, Time Stop, Come Fast, Joe, Chow, Thank You, Pills, Jono 0015. Congrats on the subs. Hope you enjoy your emotes. We got it in one take, dude. The Chaz upgrade? I love that. The Chaz exclusive? The Chaz bundle? Oh, those are all sick. We got level 5 type train emotes. Look at that. Choo choo. Choo choo. Chaz Inferno Furnace. Gonna kill Sky with the readout? I'll do anything for 6 views. I need to hold my breath all the way through, I will. Also, all of you go follow Churchomp. The best stream ever. Okay. Maybe. Yeah. This is the menu now. We'll add this like later on in the game so you can have a better idea of what upgrades you want to be able to modify. But if there's something you want to modify, let me know. And I'll think about this. I think it'd be cool to like have subs in here or something. Like some way to thank you guys for supporting me, because it does mean a lot. And also you have allowed me to do things lately like buy an electric kettle because I didn't own one. Couldn't afford one. But I can now. Clavs? You want the Clavs base boy? Let me think of a way to like man, the money part of my brain says this is a great Patreon thing, but that's grime. Did you hear that? Grime. I'll think about how I want to do this. Maybe it's just every sub gets one or something. I don't know. You came up with GeoBlock? I didn't say you weren't carrying the project with your with your bare hands. I never insinuated you weren't. Quick water on stream, please, in a kettle. Where's tea time when you need them? Who even are you anymore? That's not my streamer. I know, dude. I'm selling out left. Right. The subs got me money hungry. I was like, oh, 26 subs. I could push for 50. Actually, we're getting dangerously close to when I have to go to Gigo to set up the SDVX stream, which is very scary to me. So no one else sub. Gives back to the chat. True. Good choice. I agree. Make a YT PMV generator. That actually sounds really fun. Could you do that like programmatically? Probably with AI you could. Just find like have something that would determine like what is a funny part of a thing to clip, right? So like either a word bagging or like you could even analyze previous like YouTube YTPs and see like what level, like what is the mic level at? What is like the words that they're saying? Like what makes a good YTP? Encode that into like the latent space using, I don't know, something. Neural network? Sure, why not? We'll say neural network because that's the cop out. Neural network, and then be able to input a video and cut parts that follow that same like YTP thing, and then have certain like effects that it wants to pull from. So like the thing repeats one thing over and over and over, like with someone opening a door and they go like what, like that thing, just repeat it over and over. I think you could actually make that. Yeah. The neural network is a cop out. I hate that you're right. It's just so easy to do. What should we do for this image transfer, like style transfer network? Neural net? Neural net? Should we do neural net? It's not working. What should we do? Add more layers? It's still not working. What should we do? We could add more layers. Have we considered? Consider the following. We could be that guy. Okay, we have different cost function. What if we change the loss function a little bit? What if we change the weights a little bit? God, I miss doing AI work. Hey guys, we're gonna change the weights by 0.5, and it's gonna take us 6 hours to test if it works. I'm gonna go play Factorio for 6 hours. I mean, I'm gonna go do research for 6 hours. Research in Factorio, you know what I'm saying? Do you guys want to know the day-to-day life of an AI researcher? This is your job as an AI researcher. Okay. This is your first computer. This is the work PC. This is very important. And this is your mouse. Okay. This is your for fun PC. It's usually like a desktop computer, right? This is what I bought my PC for. Okay. Here's how you be an AI researcher. You ready? Step 1. Install a script. Usually with auto hotkey. And what this script's going to do is every 5 minutes, move your mouse cursor 1 pixel to the left. Why would we do this? Because then it makes your Teams look like you're online, and your Slack makes it look like you're online. It gives you the green circle. We need the green circle. Okay, 2 is you're going to open your model, whatever you're working on. Open model. Step 3 is you're going to change anything. Doesn't really matter what, because none of us really know what we're doing. It's fine, just change anything. Maybe you say add a layer. Maybe you change the weights. Maybe you change your loss function. Maybe you change your what is it called? The reward function. Who cares? It literally doesn't matter. You change this. Step 4, you write what you changed in an Excel sheet. Okay, so this takes about 15 minutes. And then the last thing you're going to do is on your screen, have your console set up such that it is only printing error messages. So it'll say something like your current epoch, and it'll say like epoch 17. Epoch is like training cycles. You say go, you let this run, and then you go play on your for fun PC. And about every 10-20 minutes, you look over at the work PC, and if you see white text, go back to playing Factorio. Great. If you see red text, you panic. And at the end of the day, you record whatever results you got in the Excel spreadsheet, you close your laptop for the day, and you start over tomorrow. Eventually, the client goes, hey, are you done training yet? And you say, yeah. And you just pick whichever one's best out of the Excel spreadsheet. And if they ask you, like, how do you know? You just send them the Excel spreadsheet. And you're like, oh, well, we tested all of these different things. And we looked at the Pareto front of what I just tuned the numbers to something worked. I don't really know why it worked. Hey, the Sky Cowboy song for errors when training stuff. That's brilliant, dude. Oh my god. Describing your PhD? This is a lot of jobs. I'm gonna be honest. Infinite money glitch? Yeah, basically. Yeah, you get paid a lot of money to do this. You get paid a lot of money to play Factorio. When it's work from home, hell yeah, dude. When it's work from office, hell no, dude. Then you don't have your for fun PC. What the hell do you do? Me? Read Hacker News for like 8 hours? I don't know. What? Because here's the thing. If I stare at it, it's not going to go any faster. It can only go so fast. It's training. It's running on a GPU. It's somewhere in like North Carolina. I don't know. Wherever the client's like computer is. I just log in, dude. Feel prepared to enter the workforce now? I am 99.999% confident that your next job will be easier than doing a PhD by a lot. Jobs aren't real. Tech jobs especially aren't real. Anyone says that you need to be like a genius to work one of these jobs? You just need to be able to tell the difference between white text and red text. That's about it. Hey, caps locked over shift. That's a great username. Thanks so much for the follow. And hey, Chaz, one more time. Thanks for all the gifty subs, man. You're awesome. You're the best. You're so cool. You, Chaz, you are the first night in summer where you can sleep with the window open. That's what you are. Okay? That's what you are. That's who you are. Yeah. 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 Anyways, Back to this thing. Actually, game dev is kind of the same thing, right? You hit play, and if it runs, you're like, sick. And if it turns red, then, can't beat Airman in the background? Is it? I mean, listen. Yeah, it totally is. Yeah, it's even called Airman stage. Dang, nice read on that. Sheesh. Well, it's the Airman stage, not can't beat Airman. Yeah, the song made famous by Osu, of course, not by anything else. Don't quote me on it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I want to do the smelting next. So first we need to add the building. So in our inventory, these are production buildings. Next we're gonna have smelting buildings. We're gonna have something like smelting. And I know, it shouldn't be like this. I know. I'll make it a resource later. I'm sorry. Shirogane Ryoko Heyo. Hey, how's it going? I like your emote. That's cool. Oh, it's a lurk emote. Okay, sorry. You don't have to say hello back. Start lurking. I need a lurk emote too. Copper smelt. Is it called a smeltery? Copper forge? I think it's called a smeltery. What? Okay. What? How do I say smeltery? Is that what the name? Smeltery is in Tinker's Construct, and like, that's correct to me. All right, ship it. Okay, having a chill morning? That's awesome, man. I love chill mornings. My ideal morning is like, wake up early, which already sounds impossible. Then get like a hot cup of tea or a hot cup of coffee. And it's like a little chilly. There's like a little bit of a breeze going, right? You just drink that and you have some breakfast. And you're not looking at like, no phone or TV or anything. You're just like looking out a window of a cafe. That's like a chill morning to me, you know? That sounds so nice. I just painted such a nice picture for myself. I don't know if that's everyone else's chill morning, but that's for me, you know? I sort of did that today, except I ate out of the window of a convenience store, which is not the same vibes as a coffee shop, but they do have food. Progressed enough through the side quests in God of War that I fear the last final moments of the main story will still be too easy. Dude, okay. I understand that this is a paradox, but I want a game where, like, if you don't do the side quests, you are under-leveled, and if you do the side quests, you are at level. That sounds super fun to me, right? But the problem with that is, those aren't side quests then, are they? Those are just extra main quests, right? Something makes me so happy about grinding in video games, dude. Like I want a Pokemon game where like the level cap is now 500 and the gyms are like levels 50, like 40 to 80 to 120. Like you literally have to grind, and they implement mechanics to like make grinding a little bit easier, but not a lot. So like you can rebattle trainers and stuff instead of just having to like fight 700 Geodudes. But like, oh man, I want like game like that, you know? I was wondering if D&D milestones would work in a video game. That's a good question. You'd have to be careful with it because like killing a thing and getting XP is just such a smooth feeling, you know? And like even in D&D, I like milestone experience if it is clear to me at what point I'm going to roll over to the next level, right? Because like the whole thing with XP is it gives you an approximate of like how close am I, right? The thing that sucks with milestones is like we defeated the bad guy and we go back to town. We're the same level? Are we close? Like what's the, you know what I mean? Because like normally the milestones are kind of obfuscated from you. It's a feel bad when you finish something and you're just like, I'm the same guy. The real level was the friends we made along the way. I don't want that. I want number go up. But I imagine like if it was telegraphed to you very well and consistent on like how the milestones felt, I don't see why it would be any worse. In fact, like you could very clearly point on the map like, if you get to this thing, then you're gonna level up, right? I think that would feel pretty good. Hey, Shirogane, thanks for the follow. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Enjoy your follower emotes. Before I get on about 50 plus hack silver, now I collect on average from the same chest about 4,000. I don't know what that is, but cool. Is the amount of currency in the game I use for the shop? Oh, you literally answered the next. Wow, are you in my brain? That was real smooth. Yeah, I'd be curious about that because I don't think it's like on like face value a bad idea for sure. I don't know why I would be like, no, it's a terrible idea. Are you kidding me? The worst idea I've ever heard. Man. Yeah, I just think it has to be telegraphed. There's just something so good about number go up, man. I love it so much. That's why I build games where number go up. Love that for me. Okay, so we have this copper smelter here. So, smelters. Wait. Okay, you already have a script, and you already have a script. So, what we need to do here is this class actually kind of does the same thing as what the smelting class is going to do, but not exactly. We need to be able to extract what is similar between the two things into an abstract class. So that way for alloying, manufacturing, and science labs, we can do the same thing. So let me think about what's reusable here. So player, that's going to be the exact same. Inventory, that's going to be the exact same. It will have a packed scene of its building type. So we could maybe rename this to building type. We do that. We're going to rename it to building type. So let me back up. Basically what I'm doing here is instead of class name mine, this is going to be class name building manager. Yes. So this is going to be buildings managers. This buildings managers. Change the S there, save it up. This is going to be abstracted to class type building manager, like this. So this is what this is going to be now. This thing is going to share. Everything will have a building scene, right? Is this a fabled inheritance I've heard so much about? It could be, if it works. It's the dreaded smart version of doing something. Contractors? That word is banned in my chat. God, I hated contracting so much. I get angry just if I see it somewhere I have to put my name and sign something. I get involuntarily angry, dude. I start to lose it. Okay, so this would be the building scene. This is the same. The menu will instead be whatever relative UI component has its control. So for example, the mines have the mines menu. So this will have instead a menu control, right? Mines menu, smelting menu. I think this is okay to just be called menu, actually. Where do we use this? So menu equals, menu equals, menu equals. That should save it all. Could I do find and replace? Yeah, I don't care. Carpenters? I'm more okay with carpenters, even though it makes less sense, you know? Mine props. So this, instead of mine props, will be... Well, this will be loaded as a resource. Or to do change to resource. Change to loaded resource instead. There's no reason to add these things here. In fact, let's extract them now, since we're cleaning everything up anyways. So we need to make a new resource. Project settings. Wait, how do you make a resource? I forget. Resource, Godot. Let's look at a quick tutorial. Okay. Texture. No. Script ready. Preload ready. Loading scenes. Bring resources. Can I just go to the dock for resource? There we go. Extends resource instead of node. And then I'm just allowed to do, like, whatever I want. Is this Unity? Yeah, man. It's Unity with a slightly better license, you feel me? So so here, let me make a new thing. We're gonna call it resources. Folder, resources. So I go here. I'm gonna set it purple because Leviathan is purple. Create new resource. And I can just say default resource, that's fine. Cool. Cool. This is gonna be, what do I want this to be? Wait, create new script first? And have it extend resource? Okay. I take your word for it. Create new script. This should be mine data? Mine data? Yeah, mine data? Like that? Mine data? I think that works. So I can go to this thing, and I can say, extends resource. So I don't need these anymore, right? Because these are for nodes specifically. Like I can just do this, and this is okay. Is that correct? I don't need to define anything. Duplicate, emit, change, go to local scene, then do exports. So I do something like at export mines, like this. I like adding underscore data to the end of my script so if anyone looks at my stuff, it seems like I'm very smart and know a lot about data. That's kind of genius. I'll give it up. Mine properties. Like this. Because what I want to do is just the list of everything. And I should be able to... Put an identifier in class body. Huh? Wait, what? Oh. You would... I'm going to be coding in Godot engine for 27 years, and it will still mess this up. Each resource will be one of your object. So maybe in that case, it's better to have this be building data, and I export mine properties. Yeah, okay. Hang on, let me rename this. Rename. This is going to be building data. So we're going to have the mine properties. And I'm going to yoink this thing from the mines here. Oh, I need the class in the resource too. Are you allowed to do that? Can I take this with me? I think I can. I'm gonna do it, and if it explodes, well, we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. And I just drop you right there. What? Did I not copy correctly? Give me that. X. Okay. Okay. I don't see it yelling at me. That's great. Remember, modern props not declared in current scope. Right, so you're going to be all angry now because I yoinked all of your stuff. But I should be able to grab this and put you in the resource now. So something like this guy. Oh, I made it a dictionary. Wow, I'm glad I caught that. Hey. Make mine properties like this. We have the copper mine and the tin mine. Is there any benefit to having this be a dictionary? Yeah, of course there is. Because it'll work with what I already have. That's the best excuse of all. Because it works. Okay. So, I mean, my understanding that this should work just fine, right? So now I can export the mine properties. I can import this into the other scene. So if I go to here, this will have references here. It'll say var inventory and var building props. Yeah. So once I set all of these things, player menu inventory, these will be the same for everyone. This needs to wait until its resource reference is set. So this needs to be slightly delayed. Delay until resource properties are set. But for now, I'm just going to leave it. For mine name in mines, so this should be for... If they're props, I think I should remove the dictionary key. Because it's just redundant. I think I'm going to remove it. I think I like it better without. It makes my life... It makes this simpler. Okay, so this, I'm going to convert this to a list. Do this. So this is our first mine property. This is the copper mine. Yeah, and it's pretty idiomatic because it just tells you right there what it is. Yeah, I know who you are. I know who you are. Mine props, this is the tin mine. And close it out like this. Now we just need to get this guy. So I need to import this into the mines. So I do... Oh, shoot. So... I'm gonna be able to do this. Gonna regret this later, probably. I'm gonna do this, and I should be able to say array, and then if I click on this thing, it should have building scene. Yes, and I can load. No. What? Why'd you let me turn it into a list? Yeah. What? Why did you let me do? Someone tell me to turn it back right now. And then 10 minutes, they're like, oh, it should be a list, dude. It should definitely be a list. Why is it not a list? So the cycle continues as it goes. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, I will wait. I will wait 5 minutes. Turn it into a string. Okay. What? I will. I don't know why you want that. Ghost, why would you do that? Don't give me hope. Don't. I missed them. Can I do... So, this lets me load things. Can it load a resource for this? Oh. Wait. Headpads. Wait, let me cook. And... Toast. Toast. Why would you do that? I got so excited. There's a little guy pat in my head. I was so happy. You take it all away from me. Why are you like this, huh? Huh? Who made you this way? Use regex to search the string. Oh dear God. Headbats. Yay. Again, you try my patience. There's nothing I can do to you. You're a mod. I literally, you're untouchable. He's too powerful. Okay. I need to hook it up to this. I'm not even pressing the button. See, I knew you were gonna do that. I didn't even press the button this time. Novice and Godot can say with 100% certainty that it's a terrible idea. It's just regex. Look, we just need to do a regex statement to see if something's an email or not. Don't worry about it. It's super simple. Do you know? Regex for valid email. Do you know? Regex is slow, right? It depends, but yeah. Yeah. This is the, what in the hell? Where's the email address? Regex. It's like 10,000 lines long. It's hilarious. Yeah. Hey, I want to check to make sure my email's an email. Here you go. Here's the regex for it. Where is it? Yeah, here you go. Good luck. Focus for a whole minute? Oh, okay. Stopwatch. 1 minute of focus. Okay, so I need to figure out how to import this resource correctly. Or just skip it for now until Leviathan comes back. I think I'm going to skip it for now until Leviathan comes back. The other things, so what we need to do then is figure out what other things in this thing can be extracted into a building manager as opposed to being directly related to being a mine. So, the creating the mine, this should be changed to create building, and this should be for building in building props. So, I'm just going to leave this var here now because we're going to figure it out when Leviathan gets back. So we're going to say for building in building props, create building, and it's going to just be the mine or the building props now because we actually don't need anything else. So we're going to put this here, and this menu components.ready.connect setup mine references. This is actually going to be the exact same, except setup mine references is going to instead be setup building references. But this is good because it lets us know what is connected to that signal. Oh, I already said it already in a minute, really? But basically, so the UI component will get ready and then say, hey, I'm ready, no matter what you are, for whatever building it is, because it'll be set by the reference here. Start setting up your connections. So this one specifically, its menu is mines menu, and this setup building references will change it. What is it? Setup building, setup UI reference, setup on mining finish, setup building reference. Wait, I maybe she moved a little too fast. This was setup mine references. Okay, so it should be setup building references. Building references. Do this, grab this, put it here, set up building references. For the create building, this is switching out with create mine. So this is going to be building name. And oh, it's actually just building properties now. Post something and show your stuff? Give me 1 sec. Building name. Okay, check it. In show your stuff, son. Oh, you tagged me too? No, that was someone else. Show your stuffs. Whoa! Look at him! He's so cute! I love it! Oh, he's emotive. Oh. Spicy. Dude, this is sick! Holy shit. Wait, this is like less, but damn, this is cool. You made this? Dude. Wait, how do I need to add the, React. Skyheart. That's so sick, man. Behold a fox. What is the name? Basically a lot of art I made for a friend based on their Undertale AU. What's AU? What's Undertale AU? Friends OC, she's a fluffy fox? That's a fluffy, 10 out of 10, what headpad? If only I could get some, you know? No headpads for me. Dude, that's rad, hell yeah. What'd you make it in? Var, so this is gonna be building. Building.set properties. This is building properties. Headpads! Yay! Properties like that. We're gonna add child building. Good. Sick. Okay. Oh, so this produce mines. This needs to be. So on. This is on building finished now. So let's see. Yeah, we'll just go through and rename everything to building. So set player reference building. Building dot this guy like this. Yep. Set reference building. Building. Oops. Building dot name. Building. 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 This is gonna be building UI component now. This is one thing with abstraction is I have to go through and rename everything, but yeah. Whatever. We got it working first. And headpad. Okay. Okay, they're gone. What are we working on? Building UI component. What's the point? Why are we even here? Undertale AU is Undertale alternate universe. Oh, sick. Dude, that game slaps. Dude, I got absorbed by Undertale. It was... You ever have those games that you play where you're like, you start the game, and you're like, oh no, I have to finish this game, no matter what it takes. Am I gonna fail my classes? I guess so. Am I going to lose my job? The factory must grow, you know? That was Undertale for me, dude. That game hooked me. I beat the original route. I didn't kill anyone. I naturaled the pacifist route. Then I went back, and I did the true pacifist ending. And I was like, sick. And then I saw online that if you kill everyone, you get to do the Sans fight. And I was like, well, all right, run it back one more time. I did the Sans fight, and then I closed the game. Not to corrupt my file forever. I just wanted to know that I could do it, you know? I wish they had like a fight like that for the pacifist route too, because like in like the lore of the story, it's like you killed everyone, now you have to fight Sans, but like that's the best fight. Like I want to do the best fight. They should have a fight of that difficulty for like the pacifist route. I think that'd be cool. Basically like fanfic / fan-made derivative of the OG stuff. Sick, dude. That's awesome. That's so cool. It's funny to me that like that's the basis for the derivatives now. Because like I'm trying to think of what it was when I was a kid. It was like Sonic and like working at GameStop were like the those were like the two bases for fanfics. Hey, Femboy Peaches, thanks for the follow. Because when I was growing up, when I was like 16 years old, there was nothing that made you cooler than working at a GameStop. That was the peak of being cool. Yeah. That's where the games are. You work at a GameStop, you're the coolest person I've ever met. Hot Topic, close second. Building that might finished. So this will be... So this is going to break really badly before it gets better. But we're going to say not mining finished because we need to abstract the buildings too. We're going to say production finished? Yeah. Or should I send the zip? Can you DM it to me directly on Discord maybe? Mining finished. It should be building finished? It's going to be a unique verb to each thing, so I'm going to say building finished. Well, no, because that makes it sound like I'm done building the building. Production finished? I like production finished. We're going to say on production finished. On production finished. Yeah. This. We're going to say building name. Building name. And its products. Now this part, we need to have set as a property, right? Because this is telling me the category of whatever this thing is. So we need another reference here, or another like, this is reference. This is a reference. We need a state variable here. So state, or properties, I guess. Property. var building name, building category. Building category. We'll set this to mines for now to make sure everything hooks up correctly, but we're going to be able to set this thing dynamically. So we go here and we say, do this. Cool. Great, building. What's up? Oh, expected at least one argument, huh? It should be building props in build. Wait, I've run into a problem. They're both plural. Hang on. For props in building props? Yeah, that makes sense. We already know it's a building prop. Great building based on the props. The hesitation is basically your last chance to close the game before your stuff is altered. Wait, so you can... Oh, I thought it was like... At the end of the Geno, right? First doesn't actually kill Flowey, they hesitate. So you literally have like a window to exit the game before that? Interesting. I thought it was as soon as you went into the room. It was like, flag set. You lose. Any more underscores for little prop inside the bigger building prop? Yeah. For building property inside list of building properties individual. I think it's pretty good. Makes sense to me. Ship it. Sent it to me. Okay, let me check it out. Check it. Check it. Check it. Oh, it's forceguy.rar. Wow, my computer does not want me to download that. Open file. What? Oh, it's a .rar. I need to. None of you. Notepad. Duh. I need to extract it, huh? 7-zip. Back here. Forceguy. Oh, it's a whole Godot file. Yeesh. Okay. Give me a moment. Whenever the killing blow inside, it's you who do it. You press the button. You push Frisk over the edge. You kill Flowey. Oh, interesting. Oh, you eat some lunch? Got a meeting in 45 minutes? Always forget to eat lunch when I'm working from home. Oh my god, dude. Did you know, financial fitness tip for all of you out there. If you are hungry and you drink coffee, you're not hungry anymore. Isn't that crazy? I don't know how long you can do it for, but like, it just works. If you do it too much, then you have what they call in the business a panic attack. But like, you're still not hungry, right? You're just panicking. Pick your poison. Yeah, go get some food, man. Thanks again for this. It's so nice. Oddly enough, there's little reason to hack Sky since of the frequent self-doxing. That's the real defense. It's security through obscurity. You know, it's like, oh man, his IP's right there. He must. Well, I can't hack his IP. He already displayed it to everyone. It's genius moves right there, man. I'm 3 steps ahead. You have to drink coffee? True. Unzipping freaks you out? You think you're gonna get zip bombed or something? You got any 3 tips as a doc me? I see your full name, if it makes you feel any better, but it doesn't link anything else. And I'm not gonna go Google you if it makes you feel any better. Also, we have like a mutually assured destruction thing going on here, Chaz. Yeah, if I Google your name, you can Google mine. You know, we have an agreement. You know, we'll keep the Cold War going. I know your name. Yeah. If you're like worried about it, I 1, didn't recognize it, and 2, I'm not going to look you up. So, if you were a famous person and I didn't know who you are, I'm sorry. If you're not famous and I don't know who you are, I'm not looking you up. So, we're chilling. As it works is the test inspector has a list of the mine resources, which is used to fill out the list already in the function. Oh, you wrote like a whole project for me, huh? Oh, shit. Oh shit. Oh, wait, this is exactly what I want. Yo, this is like an interface. What? Yeah, dude. Yeah. I love when my chat is better than me at coding. I don't have to do anything. I should just crowdsource everything. This is perfect, dude. Thank you so much. All right, let me open it in a Godot thing so I can like actually see how it all comes together. Let's save the project. Project. Open. Wait. What? Wait, no. What's the hotkey? Control Shift O? No, that's scene open. What's the thing for dude, well, whatever. Get back. What? Get a permissions PRs? Gotta open a whole new Godot instance? Yeah. Import. Let's go to my downloads, shall we? Downloads. Don't look at this. It's not here. You can look at Trackmania. I'm cool with that. Downloads. Forceguy. Select current folder. Import and edit. Eh? League of Legends? No, I promise that's not what it was. No. It was I misspelled. I meant to type League of. The only thing I can think of is Runeterra. That's the same thing. Ooh, my guy's got the type annotations. Huh. Millennial. Damn. Is that the barrier? Is it if you play League of Legends? Shit. All right, you got me. Okay, so this is how this works. And then in the iron, what is a tress? Oh, it extends the. Oh, I see. How did you make this though? Wait, I can't open it either. Gen Z considers League old AF. It's pretty old. I'll give it up. Like it's like what on its like 11th or 12th thing. Right click resource. Wait. Right click, add resource. Okay. Right click where? Create new. Right, create new. Resource. Wait, resource. Oh, wait. Mine.g. Hey, some random things. Thanks for the follow. Also, congrats on getting a sub. Big brain for real, for real? This shit is crazy. Just mine. Oh, there it is. And then I can... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's working. 10. Yo! And I can... Dude. This does mean that I can't... Can I make a list of these somehow? Is there a way to import like everything in a folder? I give you a twerking Among Us. Just in case people don't see it because they're not looking at the chat. We have been blessed. Look at it. You must look at it. I had to look at it. Now you have to look at it. That's how it works. You can? Is it exactly like Uniscript lodges? Check test.gd. Test.gd. It's beautiful. It killed me. I'm back. Mine's array equals array mine for mine and mines. Mine's equals wait. Wait, so oh shit. Wait. No, I only see one. Hang on, I only see one thing here. The first export. This thing, right? I see the array. Oh, maybe it's not lining. Wait. Just looking at the wrong thing. Test.gd. Eh? Wait. Size 2. Oh, I add him here. I add him here. Oh, I see. Okay. I got you. The control on the left. This guy. Oh, that's how I did it to flip around here. I see. Cobalt. Hi, buddy. Oh my god, hi. All right. First of all, thanks for the raid. But second of all, did you guys know Cobalt streams? And they're incredibly talented and very cool. You're so hesitant? I mean, you don't have to raid me, first of all. But second of all, hey, everyone go check out this guy's stream. Look at him. Stream from 3 hours ago? I don't believe you, but okay. Hang on. Peep the VOD. Look at this. Look at him. Look. That is bona fide artist. Look at him. Look. Oh, it's so. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. He also drew an emote for us that I still haven't done. I haven't uploaded it. I'm so sorry. Look at this. It's so sick, dude. How do I just want you. Just the thing. Yeah, there we go. Oh, your shout out command, it worked. It just took a second. Don't worry about it. It's so sick. And I love your avatar, even though you told me that it's a basic one. But mod, please. I'll mod you, Leviathan. You're literally always here. Yeah, mod Leviathan 101. There you go. That's like a legitimate. You help out all the time. So there, you take your mod. Take it. It's yours. You own it. Live it up. Thank you, QQ. That's so kind. You're so kind. You drew me fan art. It was sick. It was so sick. I controlled it. Oh, now that's an interesting way of doing this. Node mine UI control. Ooh. Do I want it to work this way? This? Huh. I might use this, but my thing is, I think I do things that set up the UI controls before. If I do, I think I would rather change it to be able to work this way. I really like this. But I think you're cracked at Godot, dude. This is sick. On the stream, good luck with the game. Thank you so much, Man Bandit. Your name is Man Bandit. That's so great. That username makes me giggle really hard. Thank you so much. I hope thank you for the good luck. Man Bandit. Sick username. Alright. Node mine UI control didn't say it. Is that how I want it to work? I think so. I think it's sick. If you understand anything, any more info, let me know. It's like typing everything as often as possible so I get good type hints. I respect that. I want to do this. There's two things that are conflicting me with this though. Is one, since I'm abstracting out like the original class for the building manager, I don't know if I'll be able to have a specific like reference to the type of node that I want to instantiate when I instantiate it. I don't know. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying like I don't know if that's possible. Anyways, just the control that gets generated for each one. Yeah, so I'm trying to remember. I mean, I can just go look. I don't know why I'm trying to get this off the dome. Let me go look at the code, shall we? Wait, you made it actually runnable? Hold up. This actually runs? No way. Oh wow. What? What's happening? It's so nice. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to doing it this way. You know, multiple instances of Godot open, by the way? Are you real? You are not real. Well, there you go. That's gonna make it easier than jumping back and forth, huh? Okay, so this resource does not work the way I want it to. Before I'm gonna make a new one so I can still copy it. So I make a new resource. No. That's not how I do this. I create a new script, and I say, this is gonna be mine. I'm going to say, do I want this capitalized? I think so. Are all the other scripts capitalized? Yeah, scripts are. Yeah, okay. Scripts are capitalized. Yeah. Sorry, lost my mind for a second. Resource, and this is going to be class name mine props. I think I want to have it to be mine props. Extends resource, and then I do the exports for the properties that I want it to have. Let me take a look at yours again, because it would physically hurt me to have an original idea. Not capable, and I refuse to learn. So something like this. So I do this. Our string products equals product. This needs to be. Did you define this as a list in your code too? How did you do products? How did you do this? Did you have a class name for products? Oh my god. You're so gross. You're so sick. Alright, gross sounds like a bad thing. I meant it in a loving way. Just an empty resource? Perfect. For ours, it's going to be oh, if I make it a list, that's gonna be really weird. Nah, it's resource time, dude. Products. Products is going to be a list of resources, though. Can we have a list inside of a list? I think so. So I can do array products. Yeah. Array products works. Sick. New resource. Create new resource. Dude, I should have been doing this from the start. This is exactly what I wanted to do. This is like the interface thing that I needed. Thank you so much, man. Our product it should be. Oh yeah. That's a point. Product. So we go here, say create new script. Create. We're gonna call it product. Open this up. We're gonna just say class name product extends resource at export. What do they have? It's a category and a name of the resource it produces, right? So it produces, yeah, so category and name. Okay. We're gonna have export category. What? No. Category. Stop, get out of here. At export. Oh, this needs to be a string. This might even change later. Well, I think it'll always be a string, I think. I think. Also, I didn't say it, but hey, Bakakuma, I was reading your messages. I'm sorry. I was responding to you, but I didn't say hello. So, hello. How's it going? You streaming today? Just hanging out? Category and product name. So, just name because we're already in product. You say name. Use a stream. God, it's so cold in my room now. Switching back the heater on. I just go back and forth because I like just wasting as much electricity as possible. var. Oh, maybe I can't use name because it's a protected thing. No, it's okay. Okay, so I can go back to this. Mine has an array of products. This is picking up perfectly. It's all for texture 2D. Right. You're just expensive. You just suffer. Oh no. Luckily, my apartment is very tiny, so it's actually very, very cheap to heat my apartment. I think I only spend like 60,000 yen on electricity, and that includes like running the PC that keeps everything going for the stream. The PC puts out a lot of heat too, actually. It's kind of my own space heater. icon. So I was using a path for this, but I could use a texture 2D. I am going to keep this. Sorry, 6,000, not 60,000. I was converting to dollars in my head. It's this many. This many yen. This many yen. Sorry, not this many. This would be insane. Could you imagine? It's like my rent. Find out the same? Hell yeah. That's the price of streaming, I guess. What do we do? Did we do a path for this? I don't actually need this yet because this is set in the UI control. So depending on how I want to instantiate the UI control, I don't actually need this yet. So I'm just gonna leave it as color for now. Just how you had it, because it's fine. Okay, so this thing here is going to have what? It needs building props? Yes. Building props is going to be an array of mines. Mining. Wait, this needs to be renamed. Rename mine props. Is that what I call it? Yeah, mine props. Cool. It's gonna be an array of this thing. We're gonna say array of this at export var. At export. Oops. At export var. There we go. And now if I go to here, I should be able to say, yes, yes, dude. Woo! We're gonna make the YTP MV generator 17 years to the date. No, I don't think I will get around to it. I mostly just make games on the thing, but I'd be more than down to script like other stuff. I really like doing that kind of thing, but if I'm being serious, probably not a YTP generator. I just have ideas on how it would work. The classic thing, like, I don't know how to build that, but I know how it works. I could build Twitter in a weekend. Did you know that? Okay, so we go resources. No, I need to actually make the things. How did you do it in yours? Nope, wrong one. This one. Resources. So this is the actual like mines folder. I see. I am going to make a new folder. Please build Twitter in a weekend, just fork a Twitter clone and you're done. It's so true. Throw in an AWS instance, what could possibly go wrong? Be sure to leave on auto scaling so you don't miss any members. Have fun with the $2 million bill. I'm gonna call this buildings. Ooh, you belong in assets, dude. What are you doing outside of there? Auto scale? Yeah, man. What could possibly go wrong? I love that that's an option in AWS, man. So buildings, and then in here we can create new folder. Where's the mines? Yeah, something like this. Maybe building props. I want this to be a copy of things that are in the resources. So like, I think this works. I think this is okay. I think this works. Subfolder color, pink. Buildings are pink. Why not? Mines. Okay, so now I can add, create new resource, and I'm gonna say mine props. Sorry. Mine props, create. You can color the folders? I know, right? I got that from chat. I mean, I read all the docs and got myself to work. Yeah, you can recolor the folders. It's so nice, dude. I'm able to find stuff so much quicker with these like colors too. I have no idea why it's so hard for me to read like 2 words, but I just can't pull it off, man. Also, did something similar to test the strategy. CTO lost his job because our test budget exploded. Oh my god, really? I had that happen at Amazon, and I think I cost the company like $100,000. And I went to my senior dev and I was like, oh my god, dude, I messed up so bad. I let this thing run. Like I had like a malformed SQL query and it was like scanning the whole database every time it was looping through this thing. And I was like, dude, I let it run for 2 hours. I'm so sorry. It cost $100,000. That is almost as much as they pay me per year, right? That was about like half my salary. I was like, just take it out of my salary. I'm so sorry. And he goes, oh, what? Only 100,000? Oh, you're fine, dude. I was like, what? Did you say only? You said only? That's a word you can use in front of $100,000? I wasn't aware such things were possible. Turns out like internal Amazon teams have a budget of like 10 million before they start raising any red flags. It's crazy. Multi-million-dollar mistake? I believe it, dude. Like leaving auto scaling on is crazy, man. Like it can just explode you and it won't say a thing, you know? It'll just do it quietly like, oh, you want me to spin up 30 more servers? And you just give me permission to, okay. I mean, I will. If you're not going to stop me, I'll do it. I still bored at work one day because I had no classes. I actually read the whole docs. Huh. I remember like 20% of it. Hey, that's not bad actually. My mistake was so bad, CTO was let go and there was a massive layoff? Whoa. Whoa. Over one decision? That's crazy, man. Nah, their mistake. Told them not to do it. How proud of yourself did you feel after that, yeah? You're like, oh, did it go poorly? Oh, did it cost millions of dollars? That's so crazy that it would do that. Huh. Strange. Only someone could have seen this coming. Good for you, man. All right, this is gonna be bronze. No, what? You don't mine bronze. Copper mine. Do I just call it copper or copper mine? I'll call it copper mine. No point in being overly weird about it. So I go to this thing. How do I edit you? Copper mine. Okay, name. You're not gonna believe this. Copper mine. Products. Is. Oh, I need to make a thing for each product. That's okay. I can do that. Products. That's actually probably a good thing that we do this because now they'll be consistent. Create new resource. Call it products. Product. Yep. We're gonna call this copper ore. You don't have to. You can make it inside the list. Really? Does it make sure it goes here though? Wait. So if I go to this thing, I can say add elements, new product. Oh, hey! It'll only exist inside the list. That's okay. I think that's okay. I kind of want to make an individual thing for each of the products though, because then it keeps the. I'm definitely going to well, am I? Certain things definitely will get reused. So like, nope, I can't think of anything actually. These are just the things you produce. Yeah. Nah, you're right. Make copper ore. Oh, category is ores. Name is copper ore. Let me make sure that that is what we have. Resources. They're still just in here for now. That's fine. Ores, copper ore. Perfect, dude. Okay. Now I go to this thing. They have a hardness. We're going to set that to 600.0. Wait. You. Needs to be float. Nope. If it is not, then it doesn't work. You make it spicy, make the category an enum instead. Nope. We don't need to do that. I'm all set on that. 600.0. The color. Now we can set the hex code directly. What was the color for this one? I already forgot. What's wrong with the enum? To be honest, nothing. It's totally fine. But that it already works. It just works. That to me is like when you enter the territory of like, all right, calm down there. Like, just get it working. It's fine. No, nothing like categorically wrong with the enum. I don't feel like it adds any value to use one as opposed to doing this. It's fine. Okay. So the thing is, it's hashing a dictionary for a string anyways, and like hashing a string versus hashing an integer, basically the same speed. Doesn't really matter, and it doesn't take up more space. If we're doing like string comparisons, then yeah, I guess we're doing it like every frame or something. But it's hashing the string, it's totally fine, and it reads better. So, yeah. And I guess arguably it's one less lookup if you're going to go from string, like from enum to string, than into the dictionary. So, yeah, it's fine. It's fine either way. Me personally, it's more about typos and strings versus enum that is value set. Yeah, it's just switch out. I prefer having like the words here. It just makes my brain happier for this. That's all. I prefer being overly semantic. I'm gonna leave the icon for now, like as color 2D, kind of like we had it. Okay, we've changed a lot of things, and this game is not going to work properly for a while until we fix everything, but I think that's okay. So we go to this. We have our array now. It's size 1. We're gonna load assets, resources. Nope. Buildings, mines, copper mine. So this is loaded in here now, so it has its mine. I don't need this category anymore. Okay. Lots of things need to change. If I hit play, this just like immediately crashes, no? Yeah. Cool. So the first thing is that this building scene, this packed scene, is now not set correctly, right? Yeah, the building scene is not set correctly. This needs to load from the mine, but we'll do that when we're finishing abstracting this whole class. So let's finish that first, actually. We're going to take this whole thing and save it as an abstract class. Is there anything else that needs to show? Mine here? Yeah. We're building. Building, 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 building. And this will all be the same. Cool. Building, building, name, building. Cool. I think this is everything that we needed to do. This building category is the only property that gets set. So we're going to have it be null in the abstracted version. Cool. We can now take this whole thing, Control A, Control C. We're going to add a new script to the abstract classes. Create new script. We're going to call this building manager. Building manager. Creates. And go in here. This is it now. And then for the mines, we can say class mines extends building manager. And the only thing that we need to do now is set this equals mines. We don't need this. We don't need this. We need anything else here? Don't think so. I think we can just do this. Yeah. Say on ready building category is this. Let's set it in the ready function. Yeah, good point. Function ready. So building category equals like that. Cool. That should abstract. Goodbye, Godot. Where did you go? Can you come back? Goodbye, video game. Okay. Sure, man. Sure thing. It did save. I think it's because the game was running. I think so too, yeah. Look at that. The game is not crashing. It actually connects everything together. So this thing now, we should be able to add the building scene, which will be assets, assets scenes, mines.tsm. Yes. Building props, add this. So we say add elements. We're going to add load. Ow. What kind of game are we making? We're making an idle game. Basically, it's kind of like Adventure Capitalist in Factorio. And yeah, that's kind of a good way of putting it. You're going to mine a bunch of different minerals. Let me pull up the Excalidro. Excalidro has all of the answers. Where did my window go? Oh, there you are. Hello. Basically, you're going to have a bunch of like different minerals. And actually, I have the A sprite for it. So let's say you mine copper ore, right? You're going to be able to mine a bunch of this, smelt it into copper bars. You take the copper bars and you can manufacture them into different parts. We don't have the sprites for the parts yet, but our genius art editor is on it. Who's the best person ever, TX Peng. They already left, but I'm going to sing their praises anyways. So you can combine these into things like copper cables or machining parts, something like that, right? You can either sell those products to get more money, to buy more mines, to buy more smelters. You can either use them for upgrades. So say like advanced smelting mechanics costs like 5 copper wires or something, right? That makes everything smelt faster. Or like enhanced pickaxes, right? That makes everything mine faster. So there's kind of like a lot of different ways you can increase your productivity. And ultimately, you're trying to research things to unlock new things to mine, and you kind of just number go up forever, you know? So you're going to start with just copper, and then you can use copper to unlock tin. Once you have copper and tin, you can unlock bronze smelting, so you can alloy things together. Yeah, that's kind of the game so far. And also, dude, look at this cobalt ingot. Look how great that is. I just want to look at it for a little bit. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so nice. It's so nice, dude. You think that's nice? Wait for it. Wait for it. Ooh! Look at that bar, dude. Pixel art looks sick. It is not mine. It is by our genius artist, TX Peng, who I think has a website, and I forgot what it was. Streamer mode is enabled, so I can't look at it. I think I can just Google them. They're incredibly talented. I've loved working with them every minute that I've worked with them. They helped me with the last Godot Wild Jam, too. TX no, I don't mean XPeng. Where is this? Well, I can't find them, but I have their website somewhere. I'll get it for the next stream. I'll actually credit them under the stream and the about stuff. Yeah. Pond of the Cobalt. Look at it. Look, it's so beautiful. Look. Look at this. It's even got some bars up here to make it look like a little shiny when you're zooming out. So good, dude. It's so good. And they even made us like a bunch of different things. So they have like the gallium is kind of like melted down and the oil is there. Yeah, shush. If you say no to that question, I'm going to be like violently angry. You've already fixed so much. Got the aluminum, lithium, titanium. It's so good. It's so good. Look at this purple gold too. So you can even make cool things like electrum and purple gold, stuff like that. So that's what we're making. Right now, we're working on abstracting things. So I had like all of these things in one script. I'm trying to make it so I can transfer that script to the mines, the smelters, alloying, manufacturing, science labs. So I'll use the same like loading screen. This is what they look like when they're not hooked up. So they will have the icon set correctly and like this loading bar set correctly and stuff like that. So, but we will get there when we get there. Okay, speaking of, let's go to this abstract class. Okay, so export for our building props inventory. So the menu, this is still being set to mines menu. This needs to be set dynamically as well. So this actually needs to be set in the mine here. We're going to say menu equals % mines menu, like that. That should give us this thing here. Perfect. Try it again, just in case it doesn't crash. Good, good. Buildings manager, sorry, mines manager. Oops, mines manager. Okay. Check this open again. Is there a way I can like put this up here? No, these are all the different scenes. Huh? I want to be able to like jump between the scripts up at the top, but oh well. Building scene, packed scene. So this is pointing to the right packed scene as well. Building props. And your inventory and player are always the same. I'm gonna actually do them in a slightly different order so that we know that they're the same. Building category. We set that dynamically as mines. Building until resource properties are set. So this isn't being called because menu components is never calling that it's ready due to the nature of us shifting using direct references to the mines menu to an abstracted version of referencing the mines menu. Now, we could fix it and turn it back to how it was, but I like the way that Leviathan had it, which is to say the mines are actually the one that instantiate the UI component that they're going to be tying themselves to. I like that a lot better. So here, we have things that say like, hey, I'm the copper mine, here's the sprite path. Instead, we're going to put this into the resource, have the resource say, hey, I'm going to create the UI component, attach it to the mines menu, instead of adding the child here, and this is what your sprite path is. This is going to be a little complicated. That's okay. That's okay. We'll figure this out. So, go back to here. Actually, this is in... No, this needs to be... We need to actually go to the mines themselves to do this? Yes. The actual component. Okay, okay, okay. That's fine. I'll allow it. Where's the mine actual thing? What did I miss? I'm back. We abstracted a little bit more. I ran out of water. That's eventful. That's about it though. No, I need to work on getting this stuff. So I want to switch. So I was just talking about this Leviathan. I want to switch the way I'm instantiating the UI components to the way you had it, where the mine is authoritative on which UI component it is tying itself to. That also lets us get rid of this get component, because it'll just immediately have the reference. Now, what I don't know how to do is say, once I'm done creating this new component, mine menu, you add the child. So I still need a reference to the menu itself so that I can say add child based on that menu. But then I don't have to do this. I don't have to loop through and see which one is which. So that's what I need to change. So in the buildings abstracted class, we need to... You worked on some game jams, but nothing serious? Please work on something serious. You're a genius. I need you to work on something serious. I want to play your game. Do you have any like cool game jam games that you wanna play? I played Sekras's game jam game for like 30 minutes solid last night when I was like, I need to go to bed, and I was like, oh, I could just play one round real quick, and then I got hooked in for like 30 minutes until my second backup like go the frick to sleep alarm went off, and I was like, okay, fine. Yeah, Sekras's game is very fun. Not found building manager relative to... Yeah, that's fine. Ready node not... Wait, what? Wait, what is this? Who are you? Main? Buildings manager? Buildings manager. Oh, it's managers? I don't even think that does anything, so that's fine. Yeah, it's whatever. Okay. In this thing. So, in this create... So, I want to get rid of this signal, because I don't like it. I think it's bad. In this create building props, or create building based on the props, we're going to set properties, add child, and then we're going to say building dot... What is it? Is it UI component? I think it's UI component. Where is starting to have all the same thing. I need just the like the actual mine itself. It's a scene mine. So this thing has a UI component. We're going to set that directly by instantiating a UI component, which means we also actually need the route to the UI component that we're instantiating. Okay, we can do that. We're gonna say export var UI component equals packed scene. Packed scene. Like this. Now, we're not for self superclass inherits from buildings manager. What? Really? Who couldn't? Mines can't do it? Why not? Because it was what? I did this? Oh, oops. Because the script doesn't compile, of course. That makes sense. Okay, so we go back to this. Go up to the top here. We need to set this component. So if I click here, show me your thing. Buildings manager. Yes? What? Why can't I see the export var? If I go to main or something? Control click me? Hey, show yourself. Weird. I see the resource. You have to click the actual scene, not the script. But this is an abstract. There is no scene node. This is abstracted. This doesn't exist. Not in the code anywhere. I can like put one in here. It's just a script on its own. Do I need to create a node just to set this thing? That would suck. Or can I not? Can I not do it on just a base resource? Do I literally have to do it here every time? I can. That kind of sucks if that's the case, but could be worse. UI component. So this is gonna be inventory display or progress display. Sorry. Right? That's what you are. I don't know why I said it twice. I'm tired. No worries, man. It's getting pretty late here out in Japan. I respect it. No worries, my guy. We're getting into the wee hours. Okay. So I said it here. That's okay. UI component. That's what gets prefabbed, or that's what gets set up here, right? Once ready. Add progress display. Yeah, it's progress display. And this is the exact thing we're loading. Okay, sweet. Everything is starting to come together. If I run this thing, it's gonna crash now. Okay, so we go to this. The abstract class. We're going to say, okay, so you building, congratulations, you have created yourself. I'm so happy for you. Instead of sending the UI reference here, what does this get called? Set up references. Oh, this is setting up the reference. This was supposed to be at the end of the signal call, so we can actually do these things in the create building part too. So we can actually get rid of this entire function. We say connect to signals, set player reference, but first we need to and apply color. First we need to say building dot dot shoot. What is this? UI component, I think. Gotta go to bed. See you after your weekend. Take it easy, buddy. Hope to see you Wednesday. Thanks for hanging out and thanks again for the gifties. You're so kind. I promise not to dox you with your full name on PayPal. I'm so powerful. Take it easy, man. Have a good one. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Die. Gone. Gone. Why? Just why? I know, dude. It's so nice. So 26. We are 31 away from me having to talk to staff at Gigo Ikebukuro to set up a soundbolt text stream, and that terrifies me. I want you to know. I'm very scared of talking to them. It's scary. Japanese isn't that good. It's fine. But it's not that good. If the computer isn't working, I'm just gonna point and say, "Asumimasen, koshou shiteimasu." And if that doesn't get me where I need to go, I'm gonna give up and walk home. For those of you, it literally says, "Hey, the computer is broken." They're gonna be like, "Why is it broken?" Your guess is as good as mine, man. Building dot. Let's see. Oh, ow. We need to abstract the mine class to a building class too, huh? It's gonna be forever until this game runs again cleanly. That's okay. Totally okay. So let's go to our mine. Mines? Where are you? Mine. Where the heck? Main, mine props, mines. No, mine singular. Oh, it's the scene. Here it is. So this thing is literally called UI component. Perfect. Exactly what we need. So go back to the abstract. A building.ui component equals instantiate this guy is UI component dot instantiate that. We control the instantiation now, not the UI menu. We also need to say, hey, this is now attached. Add this child to the menu. So we can say menu, right? Menu.add child, the UI component. I think this will look wacky. No, that actually works. And if we go to the UI component, or the mines menu, is these getting created though? Oh, shoot. We need to call the super. I forgot to do that. I always forget to do that. Need to be building.ui component? This, oh, right, yeah, you're right. So I forgot to do something that I always forget to do, like 100% of the time, and it's very hilarious to me. In this node, the inherited node, we need to do this. I always forget that. Now it's gonna crash 100%. Bonk. Let's see. Invalid index mine name on base nil. Where are you? Where is this? Coppermine.gd. Oh, the properties aren't getting passed through correctly, I think. I wish I implicitly called supers because I figured as well, dude. I do all the time. I had children where you can add them to whichever. That's like when when you start your Google with how to kill a child, the FBI is like, and then you type process and you're like, okay. How do I kill a child? Process. Is you probably run the bit that the script inherits from? Yes. Yeah, that's exactly what it's doing. That's exactly right. So this says, hey, I'm mines, but first, before you do anything, run the ready from building manager. And you can continue chaining these together. So you can do like, the building manager can also run it super, so on and so forth. Forgetting this is going to cause you bugs. It's just the way of the world. I forget it all the time. So if things aren't working the way you expect, look here first, because it's sometimes just really broken. I don't know. It just breaks like that. I'm sorry. I don't write the rules. Cool. So, okay, why does it crash again? No, invalid index mine name. This, I think I can do name now. I think it's allowed. Invalid index name on base nil. Oh, on base nil. So this isn't getting passed properly. Now, why would that be, huh? So we have connected signals. So we have set properties, building properties. So let's make sure that this is getting passed correctly. Where's building properties coming from? For this in building so for props and building props, let's just print it. No, we're gonna be good today. You ready for this? Debugger. Breakpoint, perfect. Props is null. Now, why would props be null? That's weird. Is it call stack? I'm like 50% sure it shows the members and locals for the script. Really? Where's call stack? I don't see it. So in the super, oh. Well, first of all, these need to happen first. Just, that's gonna fix the bug from later. But second of all, why is this props null? What is building props right now? Building props. Array size 1. Null? What? No, you're not. No, I set. It is null. When it crashes for doing exactly what you told it to do. What would I say? Not what I mean. Come on now. Resources. What did I call it? Buildings. Mines. Copper mine. Aha! Chip it. Breakpoint. Are we looking good now? Array size 1. Props equals this thing. We're looking good. Continue on your way. What is this? Continue. Sick. Invalid index production finished on base node copper mine. I hate that Godot does the mean flip. It just clears your export sometimes. It's so fun. Oh, is that what happened there? I was wondering why it's just like, hey, I'm gonna head out. Invalid index production finished on base node copper mine. Oh, because it's not production finished anymore. We changed it. We're gonna abstract this soon. This one says it's mining finished, but it's actually production finished. This is again part of the abstraction process that we're gonna have to go through. for the buildings themselves too. But once we abstract this, then we'll be able to add things automatically to the smelting menu by just setting one reference. It'll be super cool. Non-existent function, set color in base nil. Progress bar is nil? Why is progress bar nil? That's not good. Why is progress bar nil? Self, player, UI component, progress bar. But the UI component exists, yeah? It's a yeah, wait. Do I have to... Oh, because this is actually looking for the variable progress bar. I don't think that that's the way that that should work. I think we don't need this, and I think we should be able to say UI component dot get progress bar. I think that that's the way that that should work instead. Try it again. Progress bar not declared in cursor. Okay, yeah, you got me on that one. Oh, because we want to reference it here actually. No, we should. I'm gonna take this back. We should actually have a reference to the progress bar, so we don't have to call that every time. Production fetch switch back to production. So properties, set name, set product, set hardness, dot color. So in the call, we should set the progress bar. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 So here, UI component equals this, and we're gonna say building dot progress bar equals UI component dot get progress bar. Yeah. So you exist. Grab the progress bar. Yeah. Set the reference. Tick. Non-existent function get progress bar. Right. Progress display. Wait, it's right there. Get progress bar. I probably spelled it wrong. Progress. Maybe not. Impact scene. Needs to be building UI. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? What would I do without you, Leviathan? Yeah, building.ui component. Yep. Building.ui component. In fact, this could also just be a call that you could just say building.set progress bar, but fine. It worked. This is the one we made. The icon's not set. We have to fix the icon. Oh my god, we're chefing, dude. And does it update this thing? Crashes. Not index 0 on base resource product. Not index 0. What? Wait, product category equals mine. Building product equals array size 1. Not index 0 on base resource product. What? Oh, right, because these we changed this. So this is product.category and this is product.name. This is so much cleaner now. Hell yeah, dude. All right, now it should work, I think. Unless I set the reference wrong. Who knows? Did I? Did I not? We'll find out in 2, 1, 0. Okay. The number didn't go up, but it didn't crash. So I don't know where that leaves us, but this is a start. Yeah, it's exactly. Yeah. Inventory items, product category, product name, amount. Plus equals building zone. Do I own a building? Sure do. Can I... What? Product name equals product name. That should be fine. Did it not set that? Wait, what? Print the inventory? Maybe the UI is not updating? Breakpoint time, I guess? I would, but it's at the end of the line and I want to make sure it's... I'm just going to print. Otherwise I have to put the breakpoint somewhere else. That sounds annoying. Don't want to be annoyed. Okay, print. Production mines, copper mine, amount equals 10 mines, smelting, copper smelting amount of items, ores, copper ore, amount equals 1. Yeah, it went up. So it's just the UI not updating. Why didn't the UI update? What updates the UI? I think it goes and updates itself every 5 seconds, yeah? Inventory control. Timer, copper ore. You look for something specific? Item amount display ready, process still to update text amount, center font set. No, it's this. Or in inventory items, ores. Items, ores, ore. Or in inventory. Eh? Copper ore to update amount text? That certainly seems like it should work to me. Guys, remember when I said this at the start weren't going to show up again this stream? Well, I lied because off to Stardew I go again. Oh, dude. Have a good time with Stardew. My goodness. What a great game. I'd love to play that game on stream too. That's a chilling game. You think I'm chill when I'm making games? Dude, just you wait till we get to Stardew time. Even chiller. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, why isn't this updating? So var inventory. That's fine. For ore. You should find the copper ore. Stardew and chill. Have you ever tried the fishing game? Is anything but chill? Alright, here's what you do. You get to level 10 fishing. That's pretty easy, right? Just fish. Now here's how you catch the fish with hat. What is the sea foam pudding? Stardew. See this? See this item? This item is broken, dude. It gives you +4 fishing. Fishing determines the size of your bobber in the minigame, right? So you get to level 10 fishing. You get the sea foam pudding, and you get the cork bobber. And dude, your bobber is like half of the screen. It's like over 3 bars. All of a sudden, your fishing adventure is a coin flip. It's actually insane. Never knew about that. It's the way to catch all the fish, man. It is broken. It's so sick. But I think it's like the max fishing bar. Stardew. It's massive. 248 pixels. Yeah. Where's max fishing bar? I think this is it. Yeah. Look at it. Look at this. You kidding me, dude? This is the bar now. Oh man. Yeah, the no BTTV emote. I don't have the BTTV emote. Also, the model doesn't have a tail. But if I commission a new one, it will have one. Waiting for this comment I'm about to post. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Chobo Night. I'm sorry. I don't have it. I can pretend though. Do you want me to, I can pretend for you. Yeah. Look at this bar. Look at this. This is for you. Go Caverns. Go Caverns is just straight up fun, dude. I love that part of the game. I like when they change it too. So there's loot tables on like every 100 floors or 10 floors. And like roll a loot table every 10 floors. I know so much about Stardew, dude. I watch so much, like, what is it? Shawnee Do, I think, and Salamance, Saladman. How was it? I know lots of Stardew and Limey, I think too. So many Stardew content creators. Man. I love Stardew so much. Such a good game. Probably like one of my top 5 games ever. Probably. I want to show you guys my Switch farm now. Such a good, so good, and a big inspiration for making games. Because that was made by one person. Absolutely crazy, man. All of it, one person. The experience playing Stardew is every few weeks my wife asks me to local co-op so I can just call Catherine for her. That's so adorable. Oh my god. Stardew Valley is like the best e-dating game ever, dude. Are you kidding me? That's like my dream date. It's like, hey, that or like Animal Crossing, just hanging out in Stardew or Animal Crossing. That's 10 out of 10, dude. Are you kidding me? You do the thing where like one of you is playing on the TV and the other person's playing on the Switch, and you're just like hanging out with each other. Oh, 10 out of 10, 11 out, 15 out of 10, 200 out of 10. You met your wife on League of Legends? No way. Nah, bro, that ain't true, right? I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't. It's definitely just a thing, so long as you're happy. But that's hilarious, dude. That's so funny. How did that even happen? Okay, but this is by far the most important question about this, right? I need you to answer me truthfully. Same team or different teams? Because like one of them is like, oh, we met through friends, we were hanging out in voice chat, we were having a good time, and then like started talking offline, and then we were thought, well, maybe we should meet each other, right? If you met when you were on opposite teams, I need to know every single chat message that had to have gone on. Same team. Okay, crazy thing is I was playing on my friend's account to try out a skin. Pretty sure we lost. Nice. Oh man, that's funny. I was hoping for opposite teams because like what had to have happened, right? You had to like drop a killer joke in the all chat or something. You have no wife, people said. Join the club, buddy. I am single as can be right now. You met her there, then you have to know how many hours. Yeah. Unfortunately, there's no way to like quickly look up how many hours you wasted on League of Legends anymore. Damn shame. Took it away from us. You know what else is a damn shame? It's 9:30. I have to go. I'm sorry. My voice is starting to hurt. My laundry needs to be done. So I have to leave. I'm sorry. But first, welcome to the mirror dimension, everybody. Look, ready? We're there. We've arrived to the mirror dimension. Thank you so much for everyone for hanging out on both. Here, I'll go to the other mirror dimension too. Here's the YouTube mirror dimension. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, everyone. I had such a good time and helping me code stuff. Y'all are the best. Thank you again to our boy Chaz for 26 gifted subs. Absolutely ridiculous, crazy, unbelievable, ridiculous, just insane. Thank you again so much. I really appreciate it. I might even be able to buy my ow. Hey, I'm trying to. Are you done? Get off me. I was trying to be nice. Buy 3 more kettles? Deal. Nah, but I really appreciate it. I love doing this. I hope I get to do it more. There's a lot of you here. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'm hoping you were chilling, getting some work done, or hanging out, or having a good time, or whatever. I'm mad at Chaz because you don't like being subbed. Never sub, never dono. Twitch is free. We're gonna host Chura because they were somehow multi-boxing both streams, and I really like their stream. I was gonna host Aeroax, but they stopped streaming, so we still owe them a raid at some point. I don't know when, but we'll do it. No stream tomorrow because I'm gonna be gone. But before we go, what? Oh, raid Chura chump. Lol. Chura. It's Chura for sure. Chura. Real quick before we go, if you want, you can join the Discord. We're gonna do variety games on Wednesday when I come back. So no stream tomorrow because my voice is in shambles and I am physically in pain when I talk now. Wednesday we're gonna play a variety game. If you want to join, then go ahead and vote for a game, and we'll play it on stream. I still have to buy the game and download and all that stuff, but yeah, join the Discord if you want. If not, I'll see you never again. Nah. Wednesday, 6 p.m. JST for 3 hours. Don't know what game we're playing yet, but I'm very excited. Thank you again to everyone for hanging out. You're all lovely. I'm gonna stop waffling now. Get out of here. Now it's just me and you, YouTube. They're on a break. I messed up. They're on break. Lol. Whoopsies.